So moving on to the third chapter, matrix. Matrix na enna artham? First of all, we'll see the definition. Matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. இப்படி படிச்ச உடனே ஒண்ணுமே புரியாது. நம்ம எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் வச்சு பார்ப்போம், அப்பதான் புரியும். இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், you have இப்போ 3 பேர் இருக்காங்க. ராதா, ஃபௌசியா and சிம்ரன். இந்த 3 பேர் இருக்காங்க. இவங்களுக்கு number of notebooks எவ்வளவு இருக்கு, pens எவ்வளவு இருக்கு. You have to count the number of notebooks that each individual has. Okay? So இப்போ ராதா has 15 notebooks and 6 pens. So இதை எப்படி represent பண்ணலாம்? Matrixல first rowல represent பண்ணலாம். So 15, 6. So இதில பேசிக்கா first row என்ன represent பண்ணுது? It is representing how many notebooks and pens Radha has. இப்போ இதே மாதிரி ஃபௌசியா கிட்ட 10 notebooks and 2 pens இருக்கு. So இந்த matrixல second columnல represent பண்ணலாம். 10, 2. இதை மாத்தி represent பண்ணக்கூடாது. இப்போ notebooksனா 10. பென்ஸ்னா 2. அந்தந்த காலம்ல என்னென்ன இருக்கோ அந்தந்த காலம்ல என்னென்ன இருக்கோ அந்தந்த காலம்ல அதை ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணும். ஓகே, அதே மாதிரி தேர்ட் சிம்ரன் has 13 notebooks and 5 pens. You represent that in the third row of the matrix. 13, 5. Okay, so இது வந்து what is this? This is called the row. So எத்தனை row இருக்கு? Number of rows is going to be 3. அதே மாதிரி எவ்வளவு columns இருக்கு? 1, 2. So this is going to be my column. Columnனா என்ன, rowனா என்னன்னு புரிஞ்சுதா? So basically இப்படி இருக்கிறது rows. இப்போ கிளாஸ் ரூம்ல நம்ம உட்கார்ந்திருக்கோம்ல, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோல யார் உட்கார்ந்திருக்கா, செகண்ட் ரோல யார் உட்கார்ந்திருக்கா, தேர்ட் ரோல யார் உட்கார்ந்திருக்கா, சோ அதெல்லாம் ரோஸ். காலம்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? இந்த மாதிரி ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்றது இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி காலம். ஓகே, புரிஞ்சுதா? சோ ஹியர் we have 3 rows and 2 columns. கரெக்ட்டா? ஓகே, so this is my first example. இதே வந்து இப்போ இது எப்படி இருக்கு? 3 rows and 2 columns. So I can represent this as 3 into 2. எப்பவுமே இந்த மாதிரி தான் represent பண்ணணும், or 3 by 2. இந்த இடத்துல into ன்னு சொல்லாம multiplication ன்னு சொல்லாம we say 3 by 2. Okay, so this first number represents the number of rows and the second number represents the number of columns. So இதே வந்து same representation, Radha, Fauzia and Simran. இதே representation நம்ம எப்படி பண்ணலாம்? You can also write it as notebooks and pens. Radha கிட்ட எவ்வளவு இருக்கு, Fauzia கிட்ட எவ்வளவு இருக்கு, Simran கிட்ட எவ்வளவு இருக்கு. So இந்த மாதிரி represent பண்ணலாம். So இதுல எப்படி represent பண்ணுவோம்? So we'll write this as notebooks எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 15, 10, 13. So how many notebooks? 15, 10, 13. அதே மாதிரி pens எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 6, 2, 5. So 6, 2, 5. So இந்த மாதிரி represent பண்ணலாம். You can represent the given data in terms of rows or column. எப்படி வேணா பண்ணலாம். Okay? So here I have how many number of rows? 1, 2. So I have 2 rows. And how many columns do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 columns. So இதை எப்படி represent பண்ணலாம்? Matrix formula I can represent this as 2 by 3. Okay, so this is the number of rows and number of columns. Okay, so இப்போ examples பார்த்தா you have so many examples. என்ன வேணா இருக்கலாம் உள்ள. You can have numbers, integers, you can have rational numbers, you can have complex numbers, you can have trigonometric functions. இந்த மாதிரி என்ன வேணா இருக்கலாம் inside a matrix. Okay, in general m by n matrix has the following rectangular array. So இப்போ இதுல ஒரு element. So இப்போ a11 na we are talking about the element in the first row and first column. So this is going to be my first row and this is going to be my first column. So first row and first column la irukra element is going to be a11. அதே மாதிரி first row and second column la irukறது is going to be a12. Similarly second row, this is my second row and first column. So second row and first column la irukறது is going to be a21. So இந்த மாதிரி last row last column la irukறது amn. So இதுதான் நான் சொன்னேன். M represents the number of rows and n represents the number of columns. Okay, so this is how you denote. And this is called the order of the matrix. So here I have 1, 2 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So first represents rows and the second number represents columns. இது வரைக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதா? So இதுல number of elements எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements இருக்கு. இந்த மாதிரி உட்கார்ந்து கவுண்ட் பண்ணாம எப்படி number of elements கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? You can simply multiply these two. So basically number of elements in a matrix is going to be m into n. இப்போ இந்த கேஸ்ல என்ன இருக்கு? I have 2 into 4 which means I have 8 elements. கரெக்ட்டா? நம்ம கவுண்ட் பண்ண மாதிரியே வந்ததா? அதே மாதிரி இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 4 row இருக்கு. And how many columns do I have? 1, 2. So I have 2 columns. So basically the number of elements is going to be again 4 into 2 which means I have 8 elements. Okay, புரிஞ்சுதா? Order of a matrix na என்ன அர்த்தம்? m by n. எவ்வளோ rows இருக்கு, எவ்வளோ columns இருக்கு. This is how you represent the order of the matrix. Number of elements என்ன உள்ள? It is the multiplication of the number of rows and number of columns. இது வரைக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதா? Okay, let us solve an example. Example 1. Consider the following information regarding the number of men and number of women working in 3 different factories. So இப்போ இதெல்லாம் என்னது? I have factory 1, factory 2, factory 3. இந்த இடத்துல men woman. இது வந்து real lifeல எப்படி matrix use ஆகுதுங்கிறதுக்கு it's a word problem. Okay, represent the above information in the form of 3/2 matrix. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? 3 row வேணும். I want my rows to be 3 and number of columns to be 2. கரெக்டா? 3/2 னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? I need 3 rows and 2 columns. So இப்போ 3 rows னா என்னென்ன? It is going to be 1, 2 and 3. So I have 3 rows. So basically my matrix is going to be 30, 25, 27. இது வந்து men workers and women workers எவ்வளவு இருக்காங்க? 25, 31, 26. So this is going to be my matrix. So I have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 rows and I have 2 columns. 1, 2. புரிஞ்சுதா? So this is going to be a 3/2 matrix. இவ்வளவுதான். So this is how you represent in the form of a matrix. இதெல்லாம் பேசிக்கா தான் இருக்க போது. மெயின் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் சாப்டரே இன்னொரு செகண்ட் எக்ஸசைஸ்ல தான் ஆரம்பிக்க போகுது. அது வரைக்கும் we learn the basics. Okay, மேட்ரிக்ஸோட introduction. Okay, if a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible orders? இப்போ உள்ள 8 element இருக்கு. What do you say about the number of elements? இப்பதான் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். So number of elements is going to be number of rows into number of columns. Okay, இப்போ number of elements எவ்வளவு கொடுத்துட்டான்? 8 ன்னு கொடுத்துட்டான். How do you find what your m and n are? நம்ம prime factorization பண்ணலாம். So 8 prime factorization பண்ணா I have 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. Okay, so what are the possible options now? 8 can be represented as 8 into 1, 1 into 8. இது ஒரு option. 2 into 4, 4 into 2. இது ஒரு option. Then what else? I don't have anything else. Correct? So these are the 4 different options that I have. So what are the possible pairs going to be? இந்த இடத்துல answer இருக்கு. So it is going to be 1 into 8, 8 into 1, 4 into 2, 2 into 4. So these are the different matrix that I am going to have. இப்போ 2 into 4 na ஒரு example க்கு எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 2 rows. So I'll have A 1 1 and A 2 1. புரியுதா? First row, second row. First element in the first row and second element in the second row. So 4 elements in the first row, now how many will I have? I'll have A12, A13, A14. இது first row elements. Second row elements எப்படி இருக்கும்? A22, A23, A24. So in total how many elements am I having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements இருக்கா? So இப்படி தான் ordered pairs எழுதணும். Okay, புரிஞ்சுதா? Please copy. Now example 3. Construct a 3/2 matrix whose elements are given by. So இப்போ Aij கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, 3/2 matrix கேக்குறாங்க. So how is your 3/2 matrix going to look like? இப்போ A 3/2 னு எழுத போறேன். So it is going to be A11, A12. இப்போ ரெண்டு காலம் தான் இருக்கு. So A11, A12. How many rows? I'll have A21 and A31. So I have 1, 2, 3. 3 rows இருக்கு and I have 1, 2. 2 columns இருக்கு. So what are the remaining elements? A22, A32. So these are the elements I need to find. இந்த இடத்துல Aij கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So now Aij equals half absolute value I minus 3j. So இப்போ ஒரு value substitute பண்ணலாமா? A11 is going to be half times 1 minus 3 into 1. So this is going to be half times 1 minus 2 absolute value. இல்லையா? This is not a bracket. It's going to be absolute value. So 1 minus 2 which is half into minus 1 which is going to be half. So இது A11. The first element is going to be half. Now A12 which is going to be half times 1 minus 3 into 2 which is going to be half times absolute value 1 minus 6 which is going to be 5 divided by 2. Okay, இப்போ A13 வேண்டாம், நமக்கு A21 தான் வேணும். A21 equals half times 2 minus 3 into 1 which is going to be half times 2 minus 3 which is again going to be half. Okay, now A22 which is half times இந்த மாதிரி value substitute பண்ணிட்டே போக வேண்டியதான். Okay, so this is going to be half times 2 minus 6 which is going to be 4/2 which is 2. So similarly A31. Correct? Third row la first element. A31 and A32 is pending. So I have half times 3 minus 3 into 1 which is half times 3 minus 3 which is 0. A32 is going to be half times 3 minus 3 into 2 which is half times 3 minus 6 which is 3 divided by 2. இப்போ என்னோட matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? A equals my first element is going to be half 5/2. இது first row element. So half 5/2. Second row என்ன இருக்க போகுது? I'll have half and 2. So half and 2. Third row la 0 and 3/2. So 0, 3/2. Okay, so this is going to be my matrix. Please copy. Matrix of order 3 divided by 2. Okay, 3/2. Correct? 3 row irka, 1, 2, 3. I have 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so this is going to be my answer. Please copy. In the please correct it. It's going to be 1 minus 3, which is going to be minus 2. Please change. So this is going to be simply 1. Okay, it is not half. It is going to be 1. So the matrix element is going to be 1. Okay, please change. Please copy. Okay, now next topic is going to be types of matrices. Enna type of matrix la irukku? You have a column matrix. Column na artham indha edathila you only have one single column. You can have how many number of rows you want. Ipo indha edathila 4 row irukku. Indha mari n number of rows irkalam, but you can only have one single column. Ore oru column da irukku. So this is going to be a column matrix. Adhe mari row matrix na artham you will only have only one row. Okay, you can have many number of columns. Ipo indha edathila 1 2 3, 4. I have 4 different columns. So adha inga eludhirukku. You have one row and 4 columns. So this is going to be a row matrix. Row mattum da irukku. ஒரே ஒரு single row மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. So that is going to be a row matrix. இப்போ square matrix na அர்த்தம் it is going to be a this is for example a 3 by 3 matrix. So இந்த இடத்துல m ஓட value and n ஓட value are equal. கரெக்ட்டா? I have 1 2 3 rows and 1 2 3 columns. So I have equal number of rows and equal number of columns. அப்படி இருந்ததுனா it is going to be a square matrix. புரிஞ்சுதா? column matrix na ஒரே ஒரு column, row matrix na ஒரே ஒரு row, square matrix na number of rows and number of columns are equal. Okay, புரிஞ்சுதா? Now next diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix na artham if you see a diagonal element, ipo oru square irukku namakku, this is applicable only for square elements. Correct? So square la this is going to be my diagonal. Adhe mari matrix la edhu diagonal? So this is going to be the diagonal. Diagonal na enna artham? How is it represented? So basically you have a11, a22 and a33. So I equals j engala irko anga mattum da numbers irukum, engala I not equal to j o angala you are going to have 0. Okay, புரிஞ்சுதா? wherever the value of I and j are not equal, you are going to have 0. எங்க I is equal to j o, you are going to have some numbers, random numbers. அது ஈக்குவலா இருக்கணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. So that is going to be a diagonal matrix. இப்போ அது எல்லாமே ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு, diagonal elementsலாம் ஈக்குவலா இருக்குன்னா it is going to be a scalar matrix. scalarனா என்ன? கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டா ஒரே வேல்யூ இருக்கு இந்த diagonal. Okay, diagonal la mattum da value irukum, matha ella edathiliyume 0 da irukum. Okay, so this is applicable for even a 1 by 1 matrix. Ipo 1 by 1 matrix la matha endha number me kediyadu, I equals j ore or number a11 mattum da irukku. Correct? So you only have a11 and you have a number there. Baaki endha element me illa irundhalume adu 0 ah irukum. So this is also applicable for a 2 by 2 matrix and this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix. Punjudha? Now identity matrix. Identity na enna artham? Diagonal elements la 1 mattum da irukum. So you have only 1. இங்கேயும் 1 மட்டும் தான், இங்கேயும் 1 மட்டும் தான். It is applicable for any number of matrix. 1 by 1 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix எல்லாத்துலயுமே applicable. ஐடென்டிட்டி மேட்ரிக்ஸை நம்ம 1 மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இப்போ நம்ம எப்படி ஒரு நம்பர் இருக்கு, இப்போ 3 இருக்கு அப்படின்னா மல்டிப்ளைங் பை 1 and dividing by 1 எல்லாம் பண்றோம்ல. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி யூ ஆல்வேஸ் யூஸ் an identity matrix when it comes to matrix. ஓகே, மேட்ரிக்ஸ்ல ஐடென்டிட்டி மேட்ரிக்ஸ் தான் நம்மளோட 1. அது என்ன ஆர்டரோ அதுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஓகே, and next is going to be the zero matrix, which is very very simple. எல்லா எலிமெண்ட்ஸும் 0. ஓகே, all elements 0. புரிஞ்சுதா? diagonal matrixனா diagonalல மட்டும் நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்கும், ஈக்குவலா இருக்க வேண்டாம். ஈக்குவலா இருந்ததுன்னா ஸ்கேலார் மேட்ரிக்ஸ், எல்லா நம்பரும் 1 இருந்ததுன்னா ஐடென்டிட்டி மேட்ரிக்ஸ். ஓகே, தென் லாஸ்ட் 0 இருந்ததுன்னா ஜீரோ மேட்ரிக்ஸ். ஓகே, now equality of matrices. ஈக்குவாலிட்டினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? பேர்லயே இருக்கு. இப்போ ரெண்டு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் இருக்கு. I have A B C D and I have E F G H. இது ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவல் only if A is equal to E. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட்டும் ஈக்குவலா இருக்கணும். B is equal to F. செகண்ட் ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட்டும் ஈக்குவலா இருக்கணும். C equals G. செகண்ட் ரோல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எலிமெண்ட் எல்லாம் ஈக்குவலா இருக்கணும். தென் ஃபோர்த் ரோல, அதாவது செகண்ட் ரோல ஃபோர்த் எலிமெண்ட், செகண்ட் எலிமெண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஹேஸ் டு பி ஈக்குவல். புரிஞ்சுதா? ஈக்குவல் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் அர்த்தம் அந்தந்த இடத்துல இருக்கிற அந்தந்த வேல்யூ ஷுட் பி ஈக்குவல் இன் 2 different matrices. ஓகே, அதுதான் இங்க கொடுத்திருக்கான். ஸோ பேசிக்லி AIJ and BIJ should be equal. ரெண்டாவது கண்டிஷன் என்ன? they all have to be of same order. இப்போ இது வந்து 2 by 2 மேட்ரிக்ஸ்னா இதுவும் 2 by 2 மேட்ரிக்ஸ். ஓகே, யூ கேனாட் கம்பேர் 3 by 2 மேட்ரிக்ஸ் அண்ட் 2 by 2 மேட்ரிக்ஸ். கரெக்டா? அதுல எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஒரு ரோ இருக்கும்ல, ஸோ அதை கம்பேர் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ ரெண்டுமே சேம் ஆர்டர்ல இருக்கணும். செகண்ட் கண்டிஷன், ஈச் எலிமெண்ட் ஆஃப் A is equal to the corresponding element of B. ஓகே, இப்போ நான் சொன்னதுதான் அந்தந்த corresponding எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கு ஈக்குவலா இருக்கணும். ஓகே, so let's solve an example. So example 4. So this is going to be how many rows? 1 2 3. So I have 3 rows and how many columns? 1 2 3. So it is a 3 by 3 matrix. இங்கேயும் எவ்வளோ ரோ இருக்கு? 1 2 3. So I have a 3 by column எவ்வளோ இருக்கு? 1 2 3. So I have a 3 by 3 matrix on both sides. So the first condition is satisfied. Same orderல இருக்கா? Okay. இப்போ I have to find the values of A, B, C, X, Y, Z. I'm going to equate the corresponding values. So இப்போ first x plus 3 equals 0. இதை equate பண்ணலாமா? So x plus 3 equals 0, which means x is equal to minus 3. X ஓட value கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Next, Z plus 4 equals 6. So Z plus 4 equals 6, Z equals 2. அதே மாதிரி 2y minus 7, 3y minus 2. So 2y minus 7 equals 3y minus 2. ரொம்ப straightforward இருக்கு. So this is going to be minus 7 plus 2 equals 3y minus 2y. So y equals minus 5. Similarly, இங்க minus 6 minus 6 directly equal தான் இருக்கு. Then I have a minus 1 equals minus 3. So a minus 1 equals minus 3. So a equals minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1 which is going to be minus 2. Next என்ன இருக்கு? I have 0 equals 2c plus 2. So 0 equals 2c plus 2. So minus 2 equals 2c. C equals minus 1. C oda value கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Next b. I have b minus 3 equals 2b plus 4. So b minus 3 equals 2b plus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 equals 2b minus b minus 7 equals b. So b equals minus 7. Okay. அடுத்து என்ன value இருக்கு? I have minus 21 minus 21 0 0. So I have found out the values of x, y, z, a, b, c. Okay. Please copy. Example 5. Find the values of a, b, c, d from the following equation. So, ரெண்டு matrixும் equal கொடுத்திருக்கான். This is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix and this is also a 2 by 2 matrix. So, order equal. Now, we can equate the corresponding values. So, I have 2a plus b equals 4. இது ஒரு equation. Then, I have a minus 2b equals minus 3. Then, 5c minus d equals 11. Then, last equation என்ன? 4c plus 3d equals 24. So, I have 4 different equations. So, first a, b solve பண்ணலாமா? So, I am going to multiply this by 2 because இந்த ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலா இருக்கா? So, I can find the values of a and b using elimination method. So, இந்த இடத்துல 2b இருக்கு, இந்த இடத்துல b மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. I am going to multiply the first equation by 2. Okay, basic elimination method இதெல்லாம் நம்ம நிறைய பண்ணிருக்கோம். So, this is going to be 4a plus 2b equals 8. Right hand side, left hand side ரெண்டுமே multiply பண்ணணும். So, 4a plus 2b equals 8 and the second equation is going to be a minus 2b equals minus 3. When I add these two, I have 5 equals 0 plus 5a. 5a. So, a equals 1. I found the value of a. இப்போ b எங்கே substitute பண்ணலாமா? So, I have a minus 2b equals minus 3, which means 1 minus 2b equals minus 3. Minus 2b equals minus 3 minus 1. Minus 2b equals minus 4. B equals 2. So, A, B value கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Similarly, I have to find out the value for C and D. So, in the equation, I am going to multiply by 3. I see that I have a 3D here. So, this equation I am going to multiply by 3. So, what is it going to be? 5 3s are 15C minus 3D equals right hand side multiply பண்ணணும் 33. And the second equation is 4C plus 3D equals 24. So, again, I am going to solve by elimination method. Add பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? This is going to be 57. This is a 0. And this when I add, I'm going to get 19c plus 0. So, c equals 57 divided by 19. This is going to be 3, correct? 19 3s are 9 3s are 27 to 57. So, 19 into 3. Now, I found out the value of c. இப்போ d value கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So, I can find out d from this. So, I have 5c minus d equals 11. 5c minus d equals 11. 5 times 3. c oda value 3 minus d equals 11. So, d equals 15 minus 11 which is going to be 4. So, D value is going to be 4 and C is going to be 3. So, I found out the value of A, B, C and D. Okay, please copy. இவ்வளவு நேரம் examples பார்த்தாச்சு. Now, let's move on to the exercise questions. So, in the matrix A, write the order of the matrix. Order na என்ன அர்த்தம்? எவ்வளவு number of rows, எவ்வளவு number of columns. So, rows என்ன? 1, 2, 3. So, I have 3 rows. So, number of rows is going to be 3 times. Times are இல்ல by. You can call it by. And number of columns எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? It is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I have 4 different columns. So, you represent the order of the matrix by this. So, first value represents the number of rows and the second value represents the number of columns. புரிஞ்சுதா? So, first subsection, the order of the matrix is going to be 3 by 4. Second subsection, the number of elements is going to be, நம்ம உட்காந்து count பண்ண வேண்டாம். Count பண்ணாலும் அதே தான் வரப்போகுது. But the number of elements is going to be m times n, which is going to be 3 into 4. Which is going to be 12. 12 elements irkaan check பண்ணலாமா? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 elements irka? Very good. Okay. Now, third subsection. You need to write the elements A1, 3. A1, 3 na nartham first row and third column. First row idu first row. Third column is going to be this. So, A1, 3 is going to be 19. Okay. Please copy. Now, second A2, 1 which means second row and first column. Second row na idu second row. First column na idu. So we are talking about the number 35. So A21 equals 35. Next enna irukku? A33. A33 na third row, third column. So it is going to be minus 5. Now A24, I'll write it here. A24 is going to be second row. So it is going to be second row and fourth column. So fourth column now we're talking about the number 12. Okay. Then A23. A23 na second row and third column. So it is going to be 5 divided by 2. Okay. So your answer is going to be 5 by 2. So these are the values. Okay. Please copy. Question number 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders? 24 elements na nartham. Mottham ipo for example, the number of elements, I'll write step by step. Number of elements is going to be m into n, which is going to be 24. Ipo 24 nama enna possible options la eduthalam. You can write it as 1 into 24. Idu or option. Then you can write it as 2 into 12. Then 3 into 3 8s are 24. Then 4 into 4 6 are 24. 5 la pogadu. So again reverse order. So it is going to be 6 into 4, 8 into 3, 12 into 2, 24 into 1. So these are the possible ordered pairs. So you can have 1 row and 24 columns or 24 rows and 1 column. Idu or option. In that you can have 2 rows. So this represents the number of rows and the second value represents the number of columns. Correct? So 24 elements irukna in the possible ordered pairs possible. Okay, idan kekranga. So this is what you have to write in your exam. Now what if it has 13 elements? If a number of elements 13, m into n is going to be 13. What are the options? You can have 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. Idu rende option da irukku. Okay, please copy. Question number 3. If a matrix has 18 elements, so ipo nama pannola adhe mari dhaan. So basically the number of elements is going to be 18. What are the possible options? 1 into 18. Ipo 2 table na 2 into 9. 3 table na 3 6 are 18. 4 table la pogadu. 5 table pogadu. Again 6 table. Ipo reverse order. Avladha. 6 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 1. So these are the possible options, possible ordered pairs that are possible. Now what if it has 5 elements? Adhe kada dhaan. So m into n, m by n is going to be 5 na. The possible options are going to be 1 by 5 and 5 by 1. So this is going to be ore oru row irukradhanaala this is a row matrix. Correct? Please watch my introduction video. Examples oda potirupen. It will be very very useful. The second ore oru column mattum dhaan irukna this is going to be a column matrix. Okay, row matrix na enna, column matrix na enna therinjikonga. Okay, please copy. Question number 4. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by. Okay, இப்போ elements கொடுத்துட்டா 2 by 2 matrix. அப்படினா என்ன வேணும் நமக்கு? You have A11, A12, A21, A22. So இந்த values எல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சா போதும். Okay, so now first subsection I have Aij. இப்போ ஒரு value substitute பண்ணலாமா? So A11 is going to be 1 plus 1 the whole square divided by 2. So this is going to be 2 square divided by 2. 4 by 2 is going to be 2. A11 kandupidichachu. Next A12. A12 enna? When I substitute the value of 1 and 2, I have 1 plus 2 the whole square divided by 2. 3 square is 9 divided by 2. Again A21 is going to be 2 plus 1 the whole square divided by 2. This is going to be again 3 square by 2, which is 9 divided by 2. Similarly A22 is going to be 2 plus 2 the whole square divided by 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 square 16. 16 by 2 is going to be 8. Okay, so what is your matrix going to look like? 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 8. So these are the possible, these are the values. Okay, so this is going to be your 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, please copy. Now second subsection Aij equals I by j. This is very simple. Second subsection Aij equals I divided by j. So A11 எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? 1 by 1, which is going to be 1. A12 is going to be 1 divided by 2. A21 1 3 லாம் தேவையில்லை. A21 is going to be 2 divided by 1, which is 2. And A22 is going to be 2 by 2, which is also going to be 1. இப்போ நம்ம matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? You have 1, 1 by 2, 2 and 1. So this is going to be your 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, please copy. இப்போ third subsection என்ன? You have Aij equals I plus 2j the whole square by 2. Third subsection Aij equals I plus 2j the whole square divided by 2. Correct? I plus 2j divided by 2. Okay, so this A11 is going to be 1 plus 2 the whole square divided by 2. So 3 square is going to be 9 divided by 2. A12 is going to be 1 plus 2 into 2 4. the whole square divided by 2. இதெல்லாம் value substitution தான், டைரக்டா போட வேண்டியதான். So 5 square is going to be 25 divided by 2. A21 is going to be 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2 divided by 2. This is going to be 2 plus 2 4. 4 square is 16. 16 by 2 is 8. அதே மாதிரி A22 is going to be 2 plus 2 into 2 4. The whole square divided by 2. 4 plus 2 is going to be 6. 4 2s are 8. 4 plus 2 6. 6 square is going to be 36. 36 by 2 is going to be 18. So what is the matrix going to be? 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8, 18. Okay? Please copy. அவ்வளவுதான். Now fifth question. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix. இவ்வளவு நேரம் 2 by 2 பண்ணோம், இப்போ 3 by 4. Okay? Only the matrix ஓட size வந்து different-ஆ இருக்கும். So what all you have to find? A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A31. புரிஞ்சுதா? You have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 rows and how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. Okay? So these are the values you need to find out. மத்ததெல்லாம் fill பண்றேன். A22, A23, A24, A32, A33 and A34. இது ஏன் கூடயே solve பண்ணிட்டே வாங்க. So basically first A11 is going to be this particular thing. So half times absolute value. Absolute value na negative வராது. Negative எல்லாமே positive மாறிடும். So minus 3 into 1 plus 1. So this is going to be minus 3 plus 1 is going to be minus 2. Minus 2 absolute value விட்டு வெளியில வந்ததுனா, so minus 2 divided by 2. Absolute value விட்டு வெளியில வந்ததுனா it is going to be 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Okay. So A12 is going to be half absolute value minus 3 times 1 plus 2. So this is going to be minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So minus 1 by 2. Absolute value to வெளியில வந்ததுனா it is going to be 1 divided by 2. Again A13. So this is going to be half times minus 3 into 1 plus 3. So this is going to be 0. Similarly A14. First row இப்போ முடிய போகுது. So half times minus 3 plus 4. This is again going to be half. Okay. இப்போ first row elements லாம் என்னென்ன? It is going to be 1, half, 0, half. Okay. 1, half, 0 and half. இப்போ second row போலாமா? So I have A21 which is going to be half times minus 3 into 2 plus 1. So this is going to be half times minus 3 into 2 is going to be minus 6 plus 1 which is minus 5. So this is going to be 5 divided by 2. Similarly A22 is going to be half times minus 6 plus 2. So this is going to be minus 4 by 2 which is 2. A23 is going to be half times minus 6 plus 3 which is 3 divided by 2. Okay. And A24 is going to be half times minus 6 plus 4. 3 2s are இல்லையா, 3 ஓட I ஓட வேல்யூ சேமா தான் இருக்க போகுது. So minus 6 plus 4 which is going to be minus 2 by 2 which is minus 1. Okay. So இப்போ next row elements la and second row elements are going to be 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, minus 1. Okay. So now let's do the third row. So I have A31 is going to be half times 3 1 na minus 3 into 3. So I have minus 3 into 3 plus 1. This is going to be minus 3 into 3 and minus 9. Minus 9 plus 1 is going to be minus 8. 8 by 2 is going to be 4. So A31 is going to be 4. A32 is going to be half times minus 9 plus 2 which is going to be 7 by 2. A33 is going to be half times minus 9 plus 3. So minus 6 is 6 by 2 is going to be 3. Similarly A34 is going to be half times minus 9 plus 4 which is going to be 5 divided by 2. இப்போ third row elements என்னலாம்? 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. Okay. Asked for 3 rows. So let me write the matrix. So what are the values? First row is going to be 1, half, 0, half. So 1, half, 0, half. Second row என்ன இருக்கு? I have 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, minus 1. 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, minus 1. Third row it is going to be 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. என்னென்ன values அதை கரெக்டா எடுத்து எழுதும். Okay. Please copy. Now second subsection. ரொம்ப simple. Aij is 2i minus j. Okay. So second subsection. Aij equals 2i minus j. இப்போ இதே மாதிரி values கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Do it along with me. It is very easy. A11 is going to be 2 minus 1 which is 1. A12 is going to be 2 minus 2 which is 0. A13 is going to be 2 minus 3 which is minus 1. இங்க absolute value லாம் கிடையாது. Then A14 is going to be 2 minus 4 which is minus 2. இப்போ first row முடிஞ்சாச்சு. Second row. So A21 is going to be 2 into 2 minus 1 which is going to be 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. A22 is going to be 4 minus 2 which is 2. A23 is going to be 4 minus 3, which is 1. Then A 2, 4 is going to be 4 minus 4, which is 0. Second row mudichachu. Ipo third row elements A 3, 1 is going to be 2 into 3 minus 1. So 6 minus 1, 5. A 3, 2 is going to be 6 minus 2, which is 4. Then A 3, 3 is going to be 6 minus 3, which is 3. And A 3, 4 is going to be 6 minus 4, which is 2. Okay, இப்போ first row elements என்னென்ன? First row elements are going to be 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So I have 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Second row elements are going to be 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. And third row elements are going to be 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2. So this is going to be my matrix. Okay, please copy. ரொம்ப easy. Direct value substitute பண்ண வேண்டியதான். என் கூடயே போட்டாலே ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Now, sixth question. Find the values of x, y, z. So basically equal matrix. அதுக்கு first என்ன check பண்ணணும்? Same order இருக்கான்னு check பண்ணணும். So here I have 1, 2, 2 rows and 1, 2, 2 columns. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. இதுவும் 2 by 2 matrix. So order equal இருக்கா? So you can equate the corresponding coefficients. So this is going to be 4 equals y. இது ரெண்டையும் equate பண்றேன். So 4 equals y. Then z equals 3. So z equals 3. Then x equals 1. 5 equals 5. So I have x equals 1. First subsection, we have found out the values of x, y, z. ரொம்ப simple. Okay. இப்போ second subsection. I have x plus y equals 6. So x plus y equals 6. இது ஒரு equation. I have 2 equals 2. Then next வந்து 5 plus z equals 5. So I have 5 plus z equals 5. Then last value xy equals 8. So xy equals 8. So இதிலேந்து z is equal to 0. இப்போ x உம் y உம் value கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் இல்லையா? So from here I have y equals 8 divided by x. When I substitute that over here, y equals 8 divided by x na x plus 8 by x equals 6. So when I multiply by x, I'll have x square plus 8 equals 6x. So this is going to be x square minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. When I do the splitting the middle term, 8 varno and the sum has to be minus 6. So I can do minus 4 minus 2. Ilya? So this is going to be x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 equals 0. Splitting the middle term. X minus 4. Inge x minus 4 venuna minus 2 equals 0. So I have x equals 2 and x equals 4. So I have two different values of x per end value of y varapodhu. So when x is equal to 2, I have xy equals 8. Appo y equals 8 divided by x, which is going to be 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Oh, y oda value வந்து 4. இப்போ x oda value 4 na, I'll have y equals 8 divided by 4, which is going to be 4. Okay. So basically I have one value for z. Z equals 0. X is equal to 2 na, y equals 4. X is equal to 4 na, y is equal to 4. Okay. Please copy. So this is the second subsection. இப்போ third subsection ரொம்ப simple. So I have x plus y plus z equals 9. So this is my first equation. So I have x plus y plus z equals 9. ரெண்டாவது என்ன? I have x plus z equals 5. So x plus z equals 5. Then y plus z equals 7. இது எல்லாத்தையும் equate பண்ணலாமா? So y plus z equals 7. So from here I have y equals 9 minus of x plus z. And the value இங்க substitute பண்ணலாமா? So I have y equals 9 minus 5, which is going to be 4. So y equals 4. Y oda value கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ from this I have y plus z equals 7. So x plus y plus z equals 9. Y plus z is 7 na, I have x plus 7 equals 9. So x is equal to 9 minus 7, which is going to be 2. So x oda value 2 nu கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ what is pending? Z is pending. So x க்கு value இங்க substitute பண்ணலாமா? So I have x plus z equals 5. 2 plus z equals 5. Z equals 3. Z எல்லாம் இருந்ததுனா 2 உம் z யும் கேர்ஃபுல்லா பார்த்து போடுங்க. Okay, z யும் 2 யும் கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணிக்காதீங்க. So we have found the values of x, y and z. X is equal to 2, y 4 and z 3. Okay, please copy. Question number 7. Find the values of a, b, c, d from the equation. இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப basic. Okay. Now I have a minus b equals minus 1. இது ஒரு equation. a minus b equals minus 1. Then I have 2a plus c equals 5. 2a minus b equals 0. 3c plus d equals 13. Okay. So from these two equations, I can find out the value of a and b by elimination. Correct? So I have a minus b equals minus 1. 2a minus b equals 0. And I subtract the 2. This becomes a minus. This becomes a plus. and this becomes a minus. So answer enna varum? This is going to be minus 1. This is going to be a 0. A minus 2a is going to be minus a. So I have a equals 1. A oda value kandupidichachu. So adilende inge endu enna varum? I have 2a equals b. So b equals 2. 2 times a illaya. So a and b value kandupidichachu. From that I can find out the value of c. So I have 2a plus c equals 5. 2 times 1 plus c equals 5. C equals 5 minus 2. So 3. C equals 3. So அதை இங்க substitute பண்ணா I can find the value of d. So I have 3c plus d equals 13. When I substitute the value of c, 3 3s are 9 plus d equals 13. D equals 13 minus 9, which is going to be 4. Okay. So value of a, b, c, d is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Please copy. Question number 8. A is a square matrix if and only if. Square matrix na enna artham? Number of rows equals number of columns. Correct? M O N appa same value. So option C is going to be the correct answer. Okay. Please copy. Question number 9. Which of the following values of x and y makes the following pair of matrices equal? Okay. So ipo equate panna poren. So I have 3x plus 7 equals 0. So from this I have x is equal to minus 7 divided by 3. Adhe mari ipo idai equate panna poren. I have 2 minus 3x equals 4. So I have 2 minus 3x equals 4. So minus 3x equals minus 2. X equals 2 divided by 3. Similarly, y value. I have y plus 1 equals 8, which means y equals 7. Idu or value. And I have y minus 2 equals 5, which means y equals 7. Ipo indha edathila y ku rendume same value vandiruchu. So no matter what the value of y is, I see that the value of x is minus 7 by 3 and value of x is 2 by 3. Rendu value of x irukka mudiyuma? For the matrices to be equal, you cannot have two different values of x. So the correct answer is going to be not possible to find. Innone the options eduvume answers eduvume optionliyum illa. Correct? So this is going to be not possible to find. Okay? Please copy. Question number 10. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with entry 0 or 1. Question correct புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Okay. So matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, so this is going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. இப்போ என்ன கேக்குறான்? The number of all possible matrices with each entry 0 or 1. இப்போ A11 can take the value 0 or 1. அதே மாதிரி A21 can take the value 0 or 1. So இந்த மாதிரி and so on until A33. A33 also can take the value 0 or 1. இப்போ first entry க்கு எவ்வளவு options இருக்கு? I have 2 options. Similarly, second entry க்கு எவ்வளவு option இருக்கு? 2 options. And similarly, until the last entry, I have 2 options. கரெக்ட்டா? ரெண்டு option இருக்கு. So இப்போ I have 9 elements in total. கரெக்ட்டா? So number of elements is going to be 9 and each element has 2 options. So each element has 2 options. So 9 elements will have 2 to the power 9 options. Correct? மொத்தம் ஒரு எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கும் ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு. அப்ப ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன்னா மொத்தம் 9 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு எவ்வளவு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கும்? 2 to the power 9. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கு ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன், செகண்ட் எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கு ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன், தேர்ட் எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கு ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன். எலிமெண்ட்டுங்கும் போது we are talking about and. First element will have 2 options and second element will have 2 options and. So in such a way when you write, this is going to be 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 2 na this is going to be 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9 என்ன value வரும்? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64. 64 into 8. 8 4s are 32. 3 8 6 are 48, 49, 50, 51. 512 options. Okay. So the answer is going to be option D. Okay. Please copy. So with this we are done with the first exercise. Let's move on to the next topic. Okay. இப்போ இவ்வளோ நேரம் equal matrices simple பார்த்தாச்சு. Now we are going to move on to addition of matrices. இப்போ addition of matrices என்ன அர்த்தம்? ரெண்டு மேட்ரிக்ஸை ஆட் பண்ண போறோம். ஸோ அதுக்கு என்ன கிரைட்டீரியா இருக்கணும்? they have to be of the same order. இப்போ இது வந்து 2 by 3 மேட்ரிக்ஸ்னா இதுவும் 2 by 3 மேட்ரிக்ஸா இருக்கணும். அப்பதான் ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே. இப்போ எக்ஸாம்பிள் வச்சு சால்வ் பண்ணா you'll understand it better. So a plus b equals, I'm going to add each and every element, corresponding elements. So இங்கே √3 plus 2, I'm going to add that. So I have √3 plus 2. Second element எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? 1 plus √5. So this is going to be 1 plus √5. இது வந்து second element of a plus b. Third element எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? -1 plus 1. Correct? I'm going to add these two. Minus 1 plus 1. அதே மாதிரி இப்போ next row I have 2 minus 2. I'm going to add these two. So basically it is going to be 2 plus minus 2. அதுதான் 2 minus 2. புரிஞ்சுதா? The next element is going to be 3 plus 3. Next element is going to be 0 plus half. So 0 plus half. So what is my final matrix going to be? Finally, I'll have 2 plus root 3, 1 plus root 5, 0, 2 minus 2 is also 0, 3 plus 3 is 6, 0 plus half is going to be half. So this is going to be A plus B matrix. ரெண்டுமே ஒரே ஆர்டர்ல இருந்தாதான் இதை பண்ண முடியும். Okay? Please copy. Now, next, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. இப்போ scalarனா என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஒரு வேல்யூவோட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா. இப்போ for example, you have the matrix A. When I multiply by 3, I have to multiply to each and every element. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? 3 into 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 1.5, 3 into root 5. So இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கும் பண்ணணும். 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 1.5 is going to be 4.5. So 3 into 2 is going to be 6, 3 into 0 is going to be 0. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். So this is going to be the scalar matrix. Next, negative of a matrix னா அர்த்தம்? ஒரு matrix A இருக்கு அப்படின்னா the negative of that is going to be minus A. கரெக்டா? சிம்பிள். A ஓட நெகேஷன் என்ன? மைனஸ் A. அது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணா 0ன்னு வரப்போகுது. ஓகே? தென் டிஃபரன்சஸ் ஆஃப் மேட்ரிக்ஸ். இப்போ எப்படி ஆட் பண்ணோமோ அதே மாதிரி தான் டிஃபரன்ஸும். ஓகே? சிம்பிள். வேற எந்த டெஃபினிஷனும் கிடையாது. அடிஷன் எப்படி பண்ணோமோ அதே மாதிரி சப்ட்ராக்ஷன். டிஃபரன்ஸ். ஓகே? நவ் let's do an example. Solve an example. இப்போ A இருக்கு, B இருக்கு. Find 2A minus B. First A வை வந்து 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். Scalar. Then minus B. You have to subtract. Okay? பண்ணலாமா? So now 2A minus B is going to be 2 times matrix A and it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, minus 3, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2. புரிஞ்சுதா? first கொடுத்திருக்கிறது எழுதியாச்சா? Now I'm going to multiply inside. 2 into 1, 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. புரியுதா? 2 first rowல multiply பண்ணிட்டேன். இப்போ second rowல multiply பண்ண போறேன். So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Minus, what are the remaining elements? 3, minus 1, 0, 2. Now when I subtract these two, எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? எப்படி ஆட் பண்ணோமோ அதே தான். So you have 2 minus 3, 4 minus of minus 1. புரிஞ்சுதா? Then 6 minus 3, 4 minus of minus 1, 6 minus 0, 2 minus 2. So இப்போ answer எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? 2 minus 3 is going to be minus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then 4 plus 1 is again going to be 5. 6 minus 0, 6. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 2 is going to be 0. Okay? Please copy. இவ்வளவுதான் ஆன்சர். வேற எதுவுமே கிடையாது. Nothing very very difficult. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஈஸி தான். ஓகே? வேல்யூஸ் மட்டும் கரெக்டா கால்குலேட் பண்ணுங்க. Now, properties of matrix addition. இப்போ எல்லாத்துக்குமே ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் உண்டு. அதே மாதிரி மேட்ரிக்ஸ்க்கு என்ன ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி? யூ ஹேவ் காமிட்டேட்டிவ் லா. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? A plus B equals B plus A. கரெக்டா? அடிஷன் எப்படி நம்ம பண்றோமோ நார்மல் நம்பர்ஸ் வச்சு சேம் அப்ளைஸ் ஃபார் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. A plus B equals B plus A. அதே மாதிரி அசோசியேட்டிவ் லா. அசோசியேட்டிவ் என்ன சொல்லுது? யூ ஹேவ் A plus B ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் C ஆட் பண்ணலாம். இல்லாட்டி B plus C ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் A ஆட் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே? கரஸ்பாண்டிங் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டே வரணும். தட்ஸ் ஆல். Now, existence of additive identity. Additive identityனா என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ்க்கு 0 ஆட் பண்ணா திரும்ப அதே மேட்ரிக்ஸ் தான் வரும். கரெக்டா? 0க்கு ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் ஆட் பண்ணா திரும்ப அதே மேட்ரிக்ஸ் தான் வரும். So 0 மேட்ரிக்ஸ் acts like a 0. கரெக்டா? ஒரு நம்பர்ல எப்படி இப்போ 1 plus 0 equals 1 அதே மாதிரி இப்போ A மேட்ரிக்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. You have 1 2 3 4 na when you add 0 matrix, which means you also have to have a 2 by 2 matrix. கரெக்டா? So this is going to give me the same matrix itself. இந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸே திரும்ப வரும். 0 ஆட் பண்ணாலும் ஒரு டிஃபரன்ஸும் இருக்க போறது கிடையாது. இது வந்து existence of additive identity. Additive inverse-னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? A இருக்கு அப்படின்னா the additive inverse of that is going to be minus A. அது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணா I'm going to get a 0. புரிஞ்சுதா? Very very simple. Properties of scalar matrix multiplication. So K times A plus B. ஒரு scalar இருக்குன்னா A plus B ஆட் பண்ணிட்டும் பண்ணலாம். இல்ல A க்கு முதல்ல K வை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறமா B க்கும் முதல்ல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம். Okay? Similarly, you have K plus L. You have two different constants na, you can split the constants. So this is going to be KA plus LA. Okay? புரிஞ்சுதா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம். இல்ல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு ஆட் பண்ணலாம். Either way you can do it. So இது ஒரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. Next property, K times A plus B is going to, அது வந்து proof கொடுத்திருக்கான். K times A plus B is going to be K times A plus K times B. So you have two different properties and the corresponding proofs are given. So அந்த எலிமெண்ட்டை தனித்தனியா ஆட் பண்ணணும். Okay? புரிஞ்சுதா? Let's solve an example question. Now, example 8. If A equals and B equals, find the matrix X such that 2A plus 3X equals 5B. Okay? So I have 2A plus 3X equals 5B. So 3X equals 5B minus 2A. X equals 1 by 3 times 5B minus 2a. கரெக்டா? இப்போ நான் first இந்த ஸ்டெப்பை வச்சே சால்வ் பண்றேன். Okay, I'll divide by 3 later. So 3x equals 5 times b. b என்ன வந்தது? 2, 4, minus 5, minus 2, 2, 1. So 5b minus 2 times a, which is going to be 8, 0, 4, minus 2, 3, 6. Corresponding elements multiply பண்ணலாமா? So I have 5 2s are 10, 5 into minus 2 minus 10, 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, minus 25, 5 1s are 5. So this is the first matrix. Second matrix is going to be 8 2s are 16, 2 zeros are 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are minus 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Okay, now when I subtract these two, I'll have 10 minus 16, minus 10 minus 0, 20 minus 8, 10 minus of minus 4, minus 25 minus 6, 5 minus 12. So this is going to be, you subtract this, 10 minus 16 is going to be minus 6, minus 10, 20 minus 8 is 12, 14, minus 25 minus 6 is minus 31, 5 minus 12 is going to be minus 7. So this is going to be your 3x. Appa x enna, you have to divide the whole thing by 3. So minus 6 by 3 is going to be minus 2. Then minus 10 divided by 3. Then 12 by 3 is going to be 4. Then I have 14 by 3. Then minus 31 divided by 3. Minus 7 divided by 3. Avladha. Okay. Please do the calculation properly. Engey mistake pannidama palunga. Okay. Please copy. Example 9. Find x and y if x plus y and x minus y are given. இப்போ x plus y ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் கொடுத்திருக்கு, x minus y இன்னொரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் கொடுத்திருக்கு. So இதில் x y எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம்? First of all, I'm going to add. So I have x plus y plus x minus y equals, when I add the left hand side, I can add the right hand side. So I have 5209 plus 306 minus 1. Correcta? இது பண்ணலாமா? I added the left hand side and I added the right hand side. Okay? இப்படி add பண்ணதுனால என்னாச்சு? Y cancel ஆயிடுச்சு and I'm left with 2x. So 2x equals, when I add these two, I have 5 plus 3, 8, 2 plus 6, 8, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 minus 1 is also going to be 8. So இப்போ x matrix என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? When I divide by 2, I have 8 by 2, 4, 8 by 2, 4, 0 by 2, 0, 8 by 2 is also going to be 4. இப்போ x matrix கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Similarly, y எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறேன்? Either you can subtract. So that is one option. Correct? Or you can do this. இப்போ left hand side யோ right hand side யோ subtract பண்ண போறேன். So I have x plus y minus of x minus y equals, left hand side ல என்ன இருக்கு? I have 5209 minus 360 minus 1. இந்த ஆப்ஷனும் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, நம்ம யூசுவலா பண்றது என்ன? x கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சுங்கிறதுனால you will take this minus x. கரெக்டா? அந்த மாதிரியும் பண்ணலாம், இல்ல இந்த மாதிரியும் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, you can subtract the two equations. So I have x plus y minus x plus y equals, and I subtract these two, I have 5 minus 3, 2, 2 minus 6 is minus 4, 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus of minus 1 is going to be 9 plus 1, which is 10. Okay, so இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல I'll cancel the x and the x. So I have 2y. 2y equals 2, 0, minus 4, 10. So from this I have y equals, divided by 2 panna 1, minus 2, 0, 5. So this is going to be my y matrix. Okay, please copy. Simple, nothing difficult. Now example 10. Find the values of x and y for the following function. இப்போ டைரக்டா ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணாம ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் மாதிரி கொடுத்திருக்கான். So you have to add and then find. Okay, so இப்போ left hand sideல I can multiply the scalar inside. So என்ன இருக்கு? I'll have 2x, 2 into 5 is going to be 10, then 2 into 7 is 14, I have 2y minus 6, correct? 2 into y minus 3 is going to be 2y minus 6. This is first matrix, plus second matrix is 3 minus 4, 1, 2 equals 7, 15, 6, 14. Okay, இப்போ add பண்ணலாமா? இந்த பக்கம் என்ன இருக்கு? I have 2x plus 3, 10 minus 4, 14 plus 1, 2y minus 6 plus 2. Sign எல்லாம் பார்த்து போடுங்க. So this is going to be 7, 6, 15, 14. Now when I equate, I'll have 2x plus 3, 10 minus 4, 6, 14 plus 1, 15, then 2 plus 2y minus 4. இந்த பக்கம் இது, right hand side I have 7, 6, 15, 14. Now I can find the value of x and y by equating. So இதுவும் equate பண்ணலாம், and I can equate this and this. Okay, so this is going to be 2x plus 3 equals 7 and 2y minus 4 equals 14. ரெண்டு equation லேந்து I have 2x equals 7 minus 3 is 4. So x equals 2. From here 2y equals 14 plus 14, 18. So y equals 9. Okay, so value of x is going to be 2 and value of y is going to be 9. Okay, please copy. Question number 11. Two farmers Ramkishan and Gurucharan Singh. Ramkishan and Gurucharan Singh cultivates only 3 varieties of rice, namely Basmati, Permal and Nora. In the variety alone நான் கேள்விப்பட்டதே இல்ல. The sale of these varieties by both farmers in the month of September and October are given to be A and B. Okay? Find the combined sales in September and October for each farmer of each variety. Combined na என்ன அர்த்தம்? I have to add these two. So add பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? I'll have A plus B. So let me do the first subsection here. So A plus B equals, I'm going to simply add the value. So 10,000 plus 5,000 is going to be 15,000. Next 20 plus 10 which is going to be 30. So 30,000. இதான combined rate. செப்டம்பர்லயும் அக்டோபர்லயும் சேர்த்து எவ்வளவு பண்ணிருக்காங்க? So September sales, October sales. அப்ப add தான பண்ணுவோம். So next value is going to be 30 plus 6 which is going to be 36,000. Next 50 plus 20 which is going to be 70. Then 30 plus 10 which is going to be 40,000. Then 10 plus 10 is going to be 20,000. Okay, so this is the combined sales in the month September and October. இப்போ next subsection is going to be find the decrease in sales from September to October. செப்டம்பர்ல இவ்ளோ வந்தது, ஆனா அக்டோபர்ல இன்னும் நிறைய வந்தது. அப்ப நிறைய வந்ததா குறைஞ்சு வந்ததான்னு எப்படி செக் பண்றது? You have to subtract, find the difference. Correct? Now I'm going to do A minus B. So second subsection is going to be A minus B. When I subtract, I have 10,000 minus 5,000 which is going to be 5,000. Next, so குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. So 20 minus 10 is going to be 10. Then 30 minus 6 is going to be 24. எவ்வளோ குறைஞ்சிருக்குன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செப்டம்பர்ல 30,000 விளைஞ்சிருக்கு ராம்கிஷனுக்கு, ஆனா அக்டோபர்ல 6,000 தான் வந்திருக்கு. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் 50 minus 20 which is going to be 30. Next 30 minus 10 which is going to be 20. Subtract பண்றோம், புரியுதா? 20,000. Then last 10 minus 10 0. Okay, so குருச்சரனுக்கு நோரால எந்த டிஃபரன்ஸுமே கிடையாது. போன மாசம் எவ்வளவு விளைச்சானோ அதே மாசம் தான், அதே அளவு தான் இவ்வளோ இந்த மாசமும் விளைக்கிறான். தேர்ட் சப்செக்ஷன், இஃப் போத் farmers receive 2% profit on gross sales, அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் 2% ப்ராஃபிட் கிடைக்குது. ஸோ 2% ப்ராஃபிட்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? we are talking about 2/100 ப்ராஃபிட். எங்க கிடைக்குது? கம்ப்யூட் ஆன் கிராஸ் சேல்ஸ். ஸோ இந்த சேல்ஸ்ல அவ்வளோ கிடைக்குது. compute the profit for each farmer. So ஒரு farmerக்கும் எவ்வளோ profit கிடைக்குது இந்த month of October. So அக்டோபர்ல மட்டும் கேக்குறாங்க எவ்வளோன்னு. So you have to multiply 2/100 to this particular matrix. அந்த matrixல அவங்களுக்கு அக்டோபர் மாசத்துல அவ்வளோ சேல்ஸ்ல 2% profit கிடைச்சிருக்கு. So இந்த amountல 2% profit. So you have to find out how much that is. Correct? So 2/100 times, what is the matrix? 5,000, 10,000 and 6,000. Second row is going to be 20,000, 10,000 and 10,000. Okay, so இதுல 2% எவ்வளோ இருக்க போகுது? So this is going to be, ரெண்டு ஜீரோ கேன்சல் ஆயிடும் எல்லாத்துலயுமே. கரெக்டா? இங்க ரெண்டு ஜீரோ, இங்க ரெண்டு, here, here, here and here. எல்லாத்துலயுமே ரெண்டு ஜீரோ கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். So I'll be left with 50 into 2 is going to be 100. Then 100 into 2 is going to be 200. Then 60 into 2 is 120. Then 200 into 2 is going to be 400. 100 into 2, 200, 100 into 2, 200. So each person க்கு எவ்வளோ profit கிடைச்சது? ராம்கிஷனுக்கு a profit of 100, 200 and 120 and குருச்சரனுக்கு 400, 200 and 200. Okay, புரிஞ்சுதா? Question, please copy. So with this we are done with the example questions. Let's move on to the next topic. இதெல்லாம் basics முடிச்சாச்சு. Addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication எல்லாம் முடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ actual matrix multiplication எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? So that is the main topic of this chapter. Matrix multiplication டைரக்டா நம்ம ஒரு corresponding valuesக்கு multiply பண்ணக்கூடாது. அதுக்கு ஒரு டெக்னிக் இருக்கு. We'll see that in the next topic. Okay? Now moving on to the next topic, multiplication of matrices. இவ்வளோ நேரம் additionக்கு அந்த காம்பனன்ட்ஸ் ஆட் பண்ணும், அந்த காம்பனன்ட்ஸை சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணும். மேட்ரிக்ஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்ல அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே, அதுக்கு ஒரு டெக்னிக் இருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனை நம்ம ரியல் லைஃப்ல எப்படி யூஸ் பண்றோம்ன்றத பார்ப்போம். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் யூ ஹேவ் 2 different people, ரமேஷ், சுரேஷ், ரெண்டு பேர் இருக்காங்க. Now they want 2 ice creams and 1 bubble tea. இப்போ ரமேஷ்க்கு 2 ice creams and 1 bubble tea, சுரேஷ்க்கு 1 ice cream and 3 bubble tea வேணும். ஓகே, now he is going to shop 1. Shop 1ல ice cream is 20 and bubble tea is 100. அதே மாதிரி shop 2ல ice cream is going to be 30 and bubble tea is going to be 50. இப்போ for example shop 1க்கு ரமேஷ் போறான் அப்படின்னா how much is he going to pay? 2 ice cream. So 2 ice cream and how much is the ice cream? It is going to be 20. So 2 ice cream 20 rupees plus ஒரு bubble tea is going to be 100 rupees. So one bubble tea is going to be 100 rupees. So in total Ramesh எவ்வளோ pay பண்றான்? We are talking about Ramesh இல்லையா? So shop 1 Ramesh போறான் அப்படின்னா 22 into 20 plus 1 into 100 which is going to be 40 plus 100 140 rupees. Okay, இப்போ ஷாப் 1க்கு ரமேஷ் போனா இந்த அமௌண்ட் பே பண்ண போறான். இப்போ ஷாப் 2க்கு போனா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? ஷாப் 2க்கு again ரமேஷ் wants 2 ice creams but the amount is 30. So 2 ice creams and the amount is 30. This is going to be shop 2 plus then how many bubble teas? 1 bubble tea and it is going to be second shop இல்லையா? So 50. So I have 1 bubble tea times 50. So this is going to be 60 plus 50 which is going to be 110. இப்போ என்ன difference தெரியுது? shop 1க்கு அவன் எவ்வளோ pay பண்றான், shop 2க்கு அவன் எவ்வளோ pay பண்றான். So this is going to be the exact same process when you do matrix multiplication. இப்போ அதே மாதிரி சுரேஷ்க்கு you will do 1 into 100. Sorry, சுரேஷ்க்கு you will do 1 into 20 plus 3 into 100. இது வந்து shop 1. shop 2க்கு என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? You will do 1 into 30 plus 3 into 50. கரெக்டா? இதே நம்ம மேட்ரிக்ஸ் மெத்தட்ல பார்த்தோம்னா கொடுத்திருக்கிற டேட்டாவை நான் மேட்ரிக்ஸா எழுதுறேன். அப்ப என்ன ஆகுதுன்னு பாருங்க. So you have 2 1 1 3 here. கரெக்டா? So first matrix 2 1 1 3 and the second matrix is going to be 20 100 30 50. So இந்த ரெண்டு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் இருக்கு. So இங்க ரமேஷ் சுரேஷ் ice cream bubble tea. So this is ice cream bubble tea is going to be Ramesh and this is going to be Suresh. கரெக்டா? இந்த மாதிரி மெத்தட்ல எழுதிருக்கோம். இப்போ இதை நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? I'm going to take the first element from the first row, second element from the second row and multiply. So 2 into 20 plus 1 into 100. 1 into 100. So matrixல first element is going to be first row and first column. இப்போ second element எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? First row and second column. கரெக்டா? first row and second column எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? first row நான் I'm going to take 2 into 30 1 into 50 plus 1 into 50. கரெக்டா? So this is going to be my first row in the new matrix. இப்போ second rowல first element எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? second row. So second row and first element. So it is going to be 1 into 20 plus 3 into 100. புரிஞ்சுதா? second row first element. அதே மாதிரி second row second element, second column. So this is going to be 1 into 30 plus 3 into 50. So இப்போ final matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? 2 into 2 4 40 plus 100. So 140. This is going to be 60 plus 50. So 110. 20 plus 300. So 320. 30 plus 150 is going to be 180. இப்போ final matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? 140, 110, 320 and 180. So இது பேசிக்கா என்னது? How do you interpret this? So basically this is going to be Ramesh and this is going to be Suresh. This is going to be shop 1 and this is going to be shop 2. புரிஞ்சுதா? So இது வந்து நம்ம மேட்ரிக் ரெப்ரசன்டேஷன்ல எப்படி போடுறோங்கிறது தான் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். நம்ம ரியல் லைஃப்ல இந்த மாதிரி யூஸ் ஆக போகுது. மேட்ரிக்ஸ்ல நம்ம இப்படி போட போறோம். Okay, so that is what is given here. The process is also given. Entry in first column, first row. அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? first row எலிமெண்ட்டும் first column எடுக்க போறோம். So that is going to be the first element in the first row and first column. இப்போ second row, first row and second column. இப்போ first rowல second element எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? second column. You have to take the first row and the second column. புரிஞ்சுதா? லாஜிக் புரிஞ்சுதா? first elementக்கு first row and first column. second elementக்கு first row and second column. இப்போ third elementக்கு எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? அதாவது second rowல first element is going to be second row first column. second rowல second element is going to be second row second column. புரிஞ்சுதா? So this is how you multiply. இந்த லாஜிக் புரிஞ்சுதா? சால்வ் a lot of questions. அப்பதான் இது தரவா வரும். ஒன்ஸ் வந்துருச்சுன்னா ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஈஸி. ஓகே, இனிஷியலா கொஞ்சம் ட்ரிக்கியா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும், ஆனா கிடையாது. Now let us solve a 2 by 2 matrix. It will be easy for you to understand. இப்போ find AB. So AB னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? I'm going to multiply 6 9 2 3 and 2 6 0 7 9 8. So இப்போ first criteria என்ன நம்ம செக் பண்ணனும்னா, this is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. And this is going to be, I have 2 rows. So 2 into 3 columns. So 1, 2, 3. I have 3 columns. So இது ரெண்டத்தையும் first multiply பண்ண முடியுமான்னு எப்படி செக் பண்ணணும்? Here I have the number 2 and here I have the number 2. இந்த நம்பரும் என்னவா வேணா இருக்கலாம். ஆனா the second, அதாவது column of the first matrix and the row of the second matrix should always be equal for you to multiply. இதுதான் first criteria. Okay, never forget இந்த நம்பரும் ஈக்குவலா இருந்தே ஆகணும். Okay, now let me start multiplying. I'll write it one more time. 6 9 2 3 and 2 7 6 0 9 8. Okay, இப்போ final matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? Final matrix is going to be 2 by 3. Okay, so the final matrix is going to be 2 by 3. புரிஞ்சுதா? You have a 2 by 2 matrix and a 2 by 3 matrix. So இதுவும் ஈக்குவலா இருந்தாதான் you can multiply the matrix. Multiply பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா final matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? It is going to be of the order 2 by 3. புரிஞ்சுதா? So the basic idea is going to be m by n and n by p and the final matrix is going to be of the order m by p. புரிஞ்சுதா? இதுதான் logic. இப்போ நம்ம உள்ள இருக்கிறத we are going to find the values. Okay, let me write the values and then write the matrix for you. Okay, so இப்போ first என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? First row, first element. So 6 9 2 7. So this is what we are going to focus on. So 6 into 2. 6 into 2 plus 9 into 7. இது வந்து first element. இப்போ second element என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? It is going to be the same first row but the second column. That is going to be the first row, second column element. So it is going to be 6 into 6 plus 9 into 9. இது வரைக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதா? Now let me erase this. Now first row and third column. அப்போ எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? 6 into 0 plus 9 into 8. Okay, final is going to be 2 by 3. புரிஞ்சுதா? First row முடிஞ்சுது. இப்போ second rowல focus பண்ணலாமா? Second row எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? Let me erase this. Now second row, first column. So 2 by 3, 2 3 2 7. So it is going to be 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7. புரிஞ்சுதா? First element, first element. Second element, second element. This is how you have to multiply and add. Okay. Now let me erase this. Now it is going to be second row and second column. So this is going to be 2 into 6 plus 3 into 9. Similarly, let me erase. This is going to be the third column. So 2 into 0 plus 3 into 8. இது வரைக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதா? இவ்வளவுதான். This is the basic matrix multiplication. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. இது first row elements. அதே மாதிரி second rowல second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. இதுக்கு நம்ம corresponding multiply பண்ணிட்டே வரணும். So this is the difference between addition and multiplication. Addition directா பண்ணுவோம். Multiplication இந்த மாதிரி methodல பண்ணணும். Okay. Now the final answer is going to be very simple. You just have to multiply and add. So 6 2s are 12 plus 9 7s are 63. இது first element. Second, 36 plus 81. 0 plus 9 8s are 72. 2 2s are 4 plus 7 3s are 21. 6 2s are 12 plus 9 3s are 27. 0 plus 8 3s are 24. 2 by 3. So, இப்போ final matrix AB is going to be 12 plus 63 which is 75. This is going to be 117. This is 72. This is 25. 27 plus 12 is going to be 39, 24. இதுதான் AB. Okay, please copy. Simple. Now, let me do one more example. You have to find AB and BA and show that they are not equal. இப்போ multiplicationல MN equals NM. correct? MN equals NM. You can multiply the two. ஆனா matrixல அப்படி கிடையாது. Multiplication is not commutative. Addition மட்டும்தான் commutative. Multiplication is not commutative. நம்ம அதை இங்க prove பண்ண போறோம். Okay, so here I have A is of the order 2 into 3 and B is of the order 3 into 2. So, இதிலே என்ன தெரியுது? These two are equal and your final matrix is going to be of the order 2 by 2. Okay. So, AB is going to be, let me write them, 1 minus 4 minus 2 2 3 5 times 2 4 2 3 5 1. Okay. So, இப்போ final matrix 2 by 2 இருக்க போகுது. So, first I have to focus on first row and first column. பண்ணலாமா? So this is going to be 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. இது first element. இப்போ second element na I'll erase this and I'm going to focus on the second column. So it is going to be 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. Okay. Please be careful when there is minus sign. Put a bracket. And this is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. Correct? Final is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. இப்போ I'm going to erase this and I'm going to focus on the second row and first column. ஏன்னா second row க்கு வந்தாச்சு. Second row na it is going to be minus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. Now I'm going to erase this and we are going to focus on the second column. So this is going to be minus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1. Okay. இப்போ values என்னலாம் இருக்க போகுது? 2 1s are 2 minus 4 2s are 8 plus 6. then 3 minus 10 plus 3 minus 8 plus 8 plus 10 minus 12 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, so இப்போ final matrix, this is my AB. இவ்வளோ நேரம் நம்ம AB தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம். So this is going to be 2 minus 8 is minus 6 plus 6 0. Then 6 minus 10 is going to be minus 4. Then 8 இது ரெண்டும் cancel ஆயிடும். I'll be left with 10 and I'll have minus 12 plus 10 is going to be minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5 is going to be 3. So this is going to be AB matrix. இப்போ BA matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? BA is going to be, let me write the matrix first. எப்பவுமே எழுதிருங்க. So 2 4 2 3 5 1. So I have 2 4 2 3 5 1. So this is B. And A matrix is going to be A என்ன? 1 minus 2 3 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 4 minus 4 2 5. Okay, so இது எப்படி இருக்கு? This is of the order 3 into 2 and this is of the order 2 into 3. So இங்கேயும் 2 இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் 2 இருக்கு. You can multiply and the final matrix is going to be of the order 3 by 3. So you're going to get a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so இது எப்படி பண்ண போறோம்? First, I'm going to have first row, first column. Correct? So this is going to be 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 4. Now, let me erase this and I'm going to take the second column. So 2 into 2, 3 minus 2, 2. So I'll have 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. Next, I'll erase this. I'm going to focus on the third column. So I have 2, 3, 3, 5. So 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. So this is going to be 3 by 3 matrix. இப்போ அதே மாதிரி I'm going to focus on the second column. இல்லையா? So second column na 4, 1 minus 4. 4, 5, 1 minus 4. So this is going to be 4 into 1 plus 5 into minus 4. Next, second column. So this particular column, I'm going to have 4 into minus 2 plus 5 into 2. Then third column, so 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. Third column la, I'm going to focus on this. I'll erase this. So I'm going to focus on the third column. Third column la 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 4. Then 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. Third column 1 into 3, sorry 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. So இதில் என்னென்ன values வரப்போகுது? First value is going to be 2 1s are 2, 4 3s are 12. So 2 minus 12 is going to be minus 10. Then 2 into minus 2 is going to be minus 4. Minus 4 plus 6 is going to be plus 2. Then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 15 is going to be 21. Then 4 1s are 4. 5 4s are 20. Minus 20 plus 4 is going to be minus 16. Then 4 2s are 8. Minus 8 plus 10 is going to be 2. Then 4 3s are 12, 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 12 is going to be 37. 25 plus 12 is going to be 37. Then 2 into 1, 2, minus 4. So 2 minus 4 is going to be minus 2. 2 2s are minus 4, minus 4 plus 2 is going to be minus 2. Then 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 5 is going to be 11. So final matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? BA is going to be minus 10 to 21, minus 16 to 37, minus 2, minus 2, 11. So this is going to be BA. So from this, clearly AB is not equal to BA. AB is a 2 by 2 matrix and BA is a 3 by 3 matrix. அதிலேயே rule out ஆயிடுச்சு. Finally, answers also are not the same. Okay? Copy. Now, question number 14. இந்த இடத்துல answer கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, but let's multiply and see. So AB and BA are not equal னு சொல்றாங்க. So let me find, AB is already given. So AB, let me find out. AB is going to be 1 0 0 minus 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, so இப்போ AB எப்படி நம்ம பண்ண போறோம்? First I'm going to take first row, first column. So this is going to be 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. So இது first. Then I'm going to take the second column. So 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Then second row, first column. So 0 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1, which is going to be minus 1. Then second row and second column. So 0 into 1, 0, minus 1 into 0, 0. So this is going to be 0, 1, minus 1, 0. இது AB. இதே மாதிரி இப்போ BA நம்ம எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? BA is going to be 0, sorry, 1, 1, 0. இது B and A is going to be 1, 0, 0, minus 1. When you multiply this, I'm going to take the first row and the first column. So 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Then first row and second column. So 0 into 0 plus 1 into minus 1. Then 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Second row, second column. So I have 1 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1. So this is going to be 0 into 1, 1 to 0, Then I have minus 1, 1 and 0. So clearly AB is not equal to BA. Hence matrix multiplication is not commutative. Okay. Matrix multiplication commutative kadayadu. Addition, subtraction la addition is commutative, but multiplication, subtraction are not commutative. Okay, please copy. Now, zero matrix na enartham? Zero matrix basically ipo nama enna paathirkom, you have some value a b equals 0 na enartham. Either a equals 0 or b equals 0, but matrix la அப்படி இருக்கணும்ங்கிறது அவசியமே கிடையாது. Matrix la this you see that a is going to be non-zero and b is also non-zero, but ab நமக்கு 0 வரும். So இந்த மாதிரி possibilities matrix la நடக்கும். Okay, so அதுக்கு நம்ம ஒரு example பார்க்கலாம். So I have ab equals 0, 0, minus 1, 2 and I'm going to multiply that with b. So 3, 5, 0, 0. So மொத்தத்துல ஒரு 0 matrix கிடைக்க போகுது even when a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. பார்க்கலாமா? So I'm going to multiply first row and first column. So this is going to be 0 into 3 plus minus 1 into 0. Then first row, second column. So this is going to be 0 into 5 plus minus 1 into 0. Now I'm going to talk about the second. So second row, first column. So this is going to be 0 into 3 plus 2 into 0. And now second row, second column. So this is going to be 0 into 5 plus 2 into 0. Okay. So final answer is 0, 0, 0, 0. So clearly AB equals 0 when A is not equal to 0 and B is also not equal to 0. Okay. Please copy. Next, properties of multiplication of matrix. So அதே மாதிரி properties இருக்கு. So you can multiply AB first and then multiply with C, or you can multiply BC first and then multiply with A. So இது ஒரு property. So this is going to be associative. Distributive na enartham? Distributive is going to be A of B plus C is going to be, you can multiply it inside. So AB plus AC. So இந்த மாதிரியும் எழுதலாம். Then A plus B of C is also going to be AC plus BC. So இந்த மாதிரியும் நம்ம distribute பண்ணலாம். Okay, so this is basically a distributive property. இப்போ நம்ம additive identity னு ஒன்னு பார்த்தோம்ல, additive identity னா என்ன? A plus 0 equals A, where 0 is the additive identity. அதே மாதிரி multiplicative identity என்ன? It is going to be I. இவ்வளவு நேரம் நம்ம 1 னு பார்த்திருக்கோம் இல்லையா? So you have 1 into 3 equals 3. So here 1 is the additive identity. அதே மாதிரி matrixல 1 இல்லாம you take the identity matrix. Identity matrix எப்படி இருக்கும்? The diagonal elements are 1, all the other elements are 0. So this is going to be the identity matrix. Okay. Now example 16. Associative property prove பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. பண்ணலாமா? Now AB times BC. This is going to be a long process. So let's find A times B into C and AB times C. Okay. So first I'm going to find out BC. So BC is going to be 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. And C is going to be 1, 2, 3, minus 4. 2, 0, minus 2, 1. So, this first this is going to be 3 rows and 2 columns. And this is going to be 2 rows and 4 columns. If final matrix it is going to be 3 by 4 matrix. Okay. It is going to be a long matrix. So, 2 by 2 equal. Okay. So, let's solve this. So, this is going to be 3 by 4 na 3 row. So, the first row is going to be first row, first column. So, 1 into 1 is 1. Plus 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, direct na podren. Now I'm talking about the first row and second column. So I have 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 0 is 0. Then first row, third column. So this is going to be 1 into 3, 3 plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Then first row, fourth column. So this is 1 into minus 4 plus 3 into 1 is going to be 3. Okay, so this is going to be our 3 by 4 matrix. Now first row mudijudhu, let's go to the second row. Okay, I'll erase this. So when you're talking about the second row, first column. So I have 0 into 1, 0 plus 2 into 2 is going to be 4. Then we're talking about the second column. So 0 into 0 is 0. Sorry, 0 into 2 is 0 plus 2 into 0 is also 0. Then third column, 0 wala edha multiply pannalum 0 plus 2 into minus 4 is minus 4. Then fourth column, 0 plus 2 ones are 2. Okay, now let me erase the second row elements and let me move on to the third. So third row and first column. So third row, first column na minus 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 1, 4 into 2 is going to be 8. So minus 1 plus 8. Next, cover the second column. Second column na minus 1 into 2 is going to be minus 2 plus 0. Then third column is going to be minus 3 plus minus 8. So it is going to be minus 3 minus 8. Then fourth column is going to be minus into minus 4, which is 4 plus 4. So if a matrix it is going to be 7, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 4, 2, 7, minus 2, minus 11, 8. So this is going to be BC. Now I need to find out A times BC. Correct? Question la enna kekran. So idhe na A ala multiply pannanom. So A times BC is going to be A matrix enna? It is going to be 1, 2, 3. You can see it here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 3, 2. And BC enna vandhathu? BC is going to be 7, 2, minus 3, 1. 7, 2, minus 3, 1. Minus 3, minus 1. Second row. 4, 0, minus 4, 2. 4, 0, minus 4, 2. And the last is 7, minus 2, minus 11, 8. 7, minus 2, minus 11, 8. Correct? 4, 0, minus 4, 2. Okay? Now I need to multiply these two. First check pannalama. I have 3 rows and 3 columns. Inga I have 3 rows and 4 columns. So again, my final matrix is going to be of the order 3 by 4. Okay? Multiply panna aramikkalama. So this is going to be first row and first column. So this is going to be long. 7 ones are 7 plus 4 ones are 4 minus 7. This is the first element. Then second element, focus on the second column. So I have 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 0, 0 minus 1 into minus 2 is going to be plus 2. Then focus on the third column. I have 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 4, minus 1 minus 11 is plus 11. Then focus on the fourth column. Focus on the fourth column. 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 2, 2 minus 8. Okay, so this is also going to be a 3 by 4 matrix. Now let me erase this. Focus on the second row, first column. So second row, first column na 2 into 7, 14 plus 0 plus 3 7s are 21. Then again, focus on the second column. Now this is going to be 2 into 2, 4 plus 0 minus 6. Then focus on the third column. 2 3s are, so minus 6 plus 0 minus 33. Now fourth column, 2 into minus 2 plus 0 plus 24. Now let me erase the second row elements and let's move on to the third column. So third row and first column. So third row, first column na, it is going to be 3 7s are 21 minus 4 plus 14. Next, focus on the second column. So 3 2s are 6 plus 0 minus 4, 2 2s are 4. Now focusing on the third column, I have 3 3s are minus 9 plus 4, 2 into 11 is going to be minus 22. Then focusing on the last column, 3 1s are 3, minus 2 plus 16. Now values eduthalama. So this is going to be, let me cancel, 7 minus 7 poidum. So I'll be left with 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 3 minus 4 minus 7, minus 7 plus 11 is going to be 4 again. Then minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9, minus 9 plus 2 is going to be minus 7. The next row, 14 plus 21 is going to be 35, 4 minus 6 minus 2, then minus 6 minus 33 minus 39, this is 22. Then 14 minus 4 on the 10, 21 plus 10 is going to be 31, 6 minus 4 2, minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5, minus 5 minus 22 is minus 27, minus 3 minus 5 is going to be minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 5 plus 16 is going to be 11. So we have found out A times B into C. Now you have to also find out A times B into C. Now you have to find out AB times C. So what is AB times C? I'll write it down. So AB equals A and 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2. So this is A, and B is going to be 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. Okay, so let me multiply this. So this is of the order 3 by 3 and this is of the order 3 by 2. So final matrix in order it is going to be of the order 3 by 2. So this multiply panna, do it along with me. It is very easy. So first row, first column. In the questions la neengale nariya solve pannunga. I am taking some time in solving because you have to solve it along with me. Okay. Now 1 into 1 1 plus 0 plus 1. Now focus on the second column. So second column na 1 into 3 is going to be 3 plus 1 into 2 2 minus 4. Now second, okay, I'll erase this. Focus on the second row. So second row, first column. So second row la 2 1s are 2 plus 0 minus 3. Then I have second column, which is going to be 2 3s are 6 plus 0 plus 4 3s are 12. Now let me erase the second. Third row, first column. So third row na 3 1s are 3 plus 0 minus 2. Focusing on the second column, I have 3 3s are 9 minus 2 plus 8. So என்ன value வரப்போகுது? I'll have 2, 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 4 1, then I have minus 1, 6 plus 12 is going to be 18, 3 minus 2 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 plus 8 is going to be 15. Okay, so AB கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ ABC கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Need to find out AB times C இல்லையா? So AB என்ன வந்தது? 2 minus 1 1, 1 18 15 times what is my C matrix? C is going to be 1 2 3 minus 4, 1 2 3 minus 4, 2 0 minus 2 1, 2 0 minus 2 1. Okay, so this is also simple matrix multiplication. So focusing on the first row and first column. So first in the matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? 3 rows and 2 columns இல்லையா? So 3 rows, 2 columns, and this is 2 rows and 4 columns. So final matrix obviously 3 by 4. அங்கேயும் 3 by 4 தான் வந்தது. So let me start multiplying. So I have first element 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into 1 2. Now focusing on the second column, I have 2 into 2 4 plus 0. Third column 2 into 3 6 minus 2. Fourth column 2 into 4 minus 8 plus 1. கடகடன் போடுறேன், என் கூடிய போடுங்க. Now second row minus 1 plus 18 2s are 36. Then minus 1 into 2. So minus 2 plus 0. Then third minus 3 minus 36. Then fourth minus 1 into minus 4 4 plus 18. And this is going to be last row 2 plus 30. 2 plus 0. 3 minus 30. And last minus 4 plus 15. Final matrix is going to be 4 4 4 minus 7. 35 minus 2 minus 39 22, 32 2 minus 27 and 11. இதே தானே வந்தது 32 2 minus 27 11 4 4 4 35. So these two are equal. So இந்த matrixும் இந்த matrixும் equal. Okay, do you see associative property satisfies for this particular question? இந்த மாதிரி பொறுமையா ஒரு லைனா ஒரு ரோ ஒரு காலமா எடுத்து சால்வ் பண்ணாதான் வரும். Okay, please copy. Now moving on to the next example. Calculate AC BC. இந்த இடத்துல இன்னொரு associative property prove பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. So let me do that. So let me calculate AC. So AC பண்ணா it is going to be 0 minus 6 7. Do it along with me. 6 0 minus 8 7 8 0. Video எல்லாம் pause பண்ணா வேலைக்கு ஆகாது. So 2 minus 2 3. So when I multiply this, I'm going to have first row, first இது என்ன matrix? This is going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. This is a 3 by 1 matrix. So 3 row இருக்க போது, but ஒரே ஒரு column தான் இருக்க போது. Okay, please pay attention. இந்த மாதிரி எழுதிட்டா you'll not have any doubts. Okay, now first row, first column. So first 0 minus 12 plus 21. Next row வந்து it is going to be minus 6 into 2, which is minus 12 plus 0 plus 24. Then 7 2s are 14 plus 16 plus 0. So AC is going to be minus 12 plus 21. Which is 9. Then 24 minus 12 is going to be 12. 14 plus 16 is going to be 20 30. So this is going to be AC. AC கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Now let's find out BC. So BC என்ன? BC is going to be 0 1 1 1 0 2 0 1 1 1 0 2 and 1 2 0. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய சம்ஸ் போட்டுட்டே இருந்தா தான் ஈஸியா சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். And C is again going to be 2 minus 2 3. Okay, இப்போ என்ன question போட்டோமோ அதே மாதிரி தான் போட போறோம். I'll do it here. So I'm going to focus on first row and the first column. ஒரே ஒரு column தான் இருக்கு. Again I'm going to get a 3 by 1 matrix. போன எப்படி 3 by 1 matrix வந்ததோ அதே மாதிரி இங்கே வரப்போகுது. So I'll have 0 minus 2 plus 3. Then I have 2 plus 0 plus 6. Then last row 2 minus 2 minus 4 plus 0. So this is going to be 1 8 6 7 8 லையா minus 2. So 1 8 minus 2. This is my BC. வேற என்ன கேக்குறான்? A plus B into C. So let me do A plus B. So A plus B, I'll do it here. A plus B, when I add the elements, corresponding elements. So 0 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1. அந்த மாதிரி அந்த element add பண்ணிட்டு வர போறேன். So A plus B is going to be 0, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. 0 plus 0, 8 plus 2 10. Then 7 plus 1 8 minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. 0 plus 0 0. A plus B கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Into C பண்ணணும். So A plus B into C is going to be 0 7 8 0 7 8 minus 5 0 10 8 minus 6 0 8 minus 6 0. So இது A plus B. C என்ன? C is going to be 2 minus 2, 3. So, திரும்ப போன matrix மாதிரியே தான் வரப்போகுது. 3 by 1 matrix வரப்போகுது. So, focusing on first row and first column. Okay, so 0 into 2 is going to be 0, minus 14 plus 24. Then I have minus 5 into 2. So, minus 10 plus 0 plus 30. Then 16 plus 12 plus 0. So, this is going to be 24 minus 14 is 10. Then 20, 16 plus 12 is going to be 28. So, this is going to be A plus B times C. இப்போ this is equal to AB plus BC and AC plus BC ன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க. So, let me add AC plus BC. So, what is AC plus BC? Is going to be, what is AC? What did I get? 9, 12, 30. 9, 12, 30 plus BC, which is going to be 1, 8 minus 2. Correct? பார்த்தோன்னே answer வருது. So, 10, 20, 28. So, this is equal. Okay? Please copy. அவ்வளவுதான். Simple. Not very complex. Question number 18. If A equals, then show that ஒரு matrix கொடுத்திருக்கு A cube அப்படின்னா அர்த்தம். First A cube can be found out by A square. அப்புறம் அதை A ல multiply பண்ணலாம். Okay? Please do it along with me. Now, I am going to find A square, which is going to be 1, 3, 4, 2 minus 2, 2, 3, 1, 1. Multiply by A. So, again 1, 3, 4, 2 minus 2, 2, 3, 1, 1. So, multiply பண்ணலாமா? So, this is also going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. இது 3 by 3, இது 3 by 3. So, final 3 by 3 தான். Okay? Now, focusing on first row, first column. So, this is 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4, 12. Now, focusing on the second column. So, this is going to be 1 into 2, 2 minus 4, 3 2s are 6. Then, third column, 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 1, 3. இப்போ second row. So, second row, first column. So, 3 into 1, 3 minus 6 plus 4. Second row, second column, 3 2s are 6 plus 4 plus 2. Then second row, third column, 3 3s are 9, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 1 into 1, 1. Now, last 4 into 1, 4 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 4. Then 4 2s are 8, minus 4 plus 2. Then 4 3s are 12 plus 2 plus 1. Okay? So, this is A square. If the values add panna, I have 6 plus 12 is going to be 18, 19. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 6 is going to be minus 2 plus 6 is going to be plus 4. Then 3 plus 3, 6 is 6 plus 2, 8. Then 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4, 1. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Then 6 plus 4, 14. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so this is going to be my A square matrix. இப்போ A cube. A cube is going to be A square times A. I'm going to find that out. So 19, 1, 14, 4, 12, 6, 8, 8, 15 times, what is the A matrix? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. So this, when I find out, first row, first column. Careful podunga. So 19 into 1. 19 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 8 4s are 32. Okay, be careful with numbers. Now first row, second column. So 19 2s are 38 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So plus 16. Now first row, third column. So 19 3s are 9 3s are 27. 2 3 1s are 3 4 5 57 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 8 1s are 8. Then second row, first column. 1 1s are 1 plus 12 3s are 36 plus 8 4s are 32. Now, first row, second row, second column. So, 2 1s are 2 plus minus 24, 8 2s are 16. 3 1s are 3 plus 12 1s are 12 plus 8 1s are 8. Now, last, third row, first column. So, 14 into 1, 14 plus 6 3s are 18 plus 5 4s are 15 4s are. So, 5 4s are 20, 2, 5 1s are 4 1s are 6, 60. Then, so the last row, second column. So, 14 2s are 28 minus 12 plus 15 2s are 30. Then 14 3s are 4 3s are 12, 1 3 1s are 3, 4 52 plus 6 plus 15. Now when I add these values, I have 12 plus 32 is 44, 44 plus 19 is 63. Then 38 minus 8 30, 30 plus 16 is going to be 46. Then 57 plus 4 61, 61 plus 8 is 69. Then 36 32 is going to be 68, 69 again. Then 2 minus 24 is minus 22. Minus 22, 16 is going to be 6. Then 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 minus 6. Yeah? 15 plus 8 is going to be 23. So this is my second row. Third row, 14 plus 18 is going to be 32. 32 plus 60 is going to be 92. Then 28 minus 12 is going to be 16. 16 plus 30 is going to be 46. This is 42. Okay. 42 plus 8 is going to be 48. 48 plus 15 is going to be 63. Okay. Calculation மட்டும் கரெக்ட்டா போடுங்க. So A cube matrix கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணலாமா? So I have to find that I have to show that it is equal to the 0 matrix. இப்போ A cube என்ன வந்தது? 63, 46, 69. So A cube, let me write the equation first. A cube minus 23A minus 40I equals 0. இது prove பண்ணணும். A cube is going to be 63, 46, 69. So 63, 46, 69. 69 minus 6, 23. 69 minus 6, 23. Then 92, 46, 63. 92, 46, 63. So this is A cube minus 23 into A. So let me write that. Minus 23 into A matrix and 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. And 4, 2, 1. 4, 2, 1 minus 40I. Abdina anartham, identity matrix is going to be 1, 1, 1 and 0 all the places. So this is going to be the identity matrix. So 40, 40. Diagonal elements மட்டும் 1 இருக்கும். Into 40 பண்ணா I'm going to have 40. So this is going to be the identity matrix times 40. இப்போ இந்த values கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? This I have to prove that it is equal to 0. So first element is going to be 63, 46, 69. 69 minus 6, 23. 92, 46, 63 minus 23 ஆல multiply பண்ணும். So 23 ones are 23, 46, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Then 23 into 3 again is going to be 69. Then minus வெளியில தான் இருக்கு. 23 into 2 is going to be 46 again. Then 23 into 1, 23. Then 23 into 4, 4 3s are 12, 1. 4 2s are 8, 9, 92. Then 23 into 2 is 46 again. Then 23 into 1 is going to be 23. Okay. Minus 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. Okay. இப்போ இந்த values எல்லாத்தையும் consolidate பண்ணலாமா? So 63 minus 23 minus 40. 46 minus 46 minus 0. 69 minus 69 minus 0. அதே மாதிரி 69 minus 69 minus 0. Minus 6 minus 46 plus 40. 23 minus 23 minus 0. Then finally 92 minus 92 minus 0. 46 minus 46 minus 0. 63 minus 23 minus 40 is going to be 0. So இப்போ finally I see that this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0 and this is 0. இப்போ diagonal elements என்ன இருக்கு? This is going to be 40 minus 40. This is also going to be minus 40 plus 40 and this is going to be 40 minus 40. So எல்லாமே 0 வந்துச்சா? So my final matrix is going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the final matrix is going to be a 0 matrix. Hence proved. Okay. Please copy. Calculation மட்டும் பார்த்து போடுங்க. Values எல்லாம் தப்பா போடாம. Now, word problem. In a legislative assembly election, a political group hired a public relation firm to promote its candidate in 3 ways. ஒன்னு telephone, house call, letters. 3 way இருக்கு. The cost per contact is given in matrix. So ஒரு கான்டாக்ட்டுக்கும் எவ்வளோ காஸ்ட், ஒரு கான்டாக்ட்டுக்கு எவ்வளோ இருக்குன்னு கொடுத்துருக்கு. The number of contacts of each type made in 2 cities, X, Y. Find the total amount spent. So இப்போ டெலிஃபோனுக்கு இவ்வளோ 1000 ஸ்பெண்ட் ஆயிருக்கு by X. Then house callக்கு 500, 50, 500, 5000. So இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு வேல்யூவா இருக்கு. So இப்போ நம்ம total amount எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? We have to multiply the matrix. Correct? Very, very simple. So how are we going to do that? So you have to multiply 40, 100, 50 with 1000, 500, 5000, 3000, 1000 and 10,000. So first in the matrix multiplication possible and எப்படி பார்க்கணும்? This is a 3/1 matrix and this is going to be a 2/3 matrix. So இந்த மாதிரி நம்மளால மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண முடியுமா? பண்ண முடியாது. So நீங்க எழுதிருக்கிறது தப்புன்னு இதை வச்சே தெரிஞ்சிடும். So how are you supposed to multiply? You have to take 1000, 500, 5000, 3000, 1000 and 10,000 multiplied by 40, 100 and 50. இப்போ multiply பண்ண முடியுமான்னு check பண்ணுங்க. So this is going to be a 2 by 3 matrix and this is going to be a 3 by 1 matrix. So இங்கேயும் 3 இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் 3 இருக்கு. So the matrix multiplication is possible. So இந்த மாதிரி word problemsல உங்களுக்கு கன்ஃபியூஷனா இருக்கு, எதையும் multiply பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல அப்படின்னா please check it with the order of matrix. Order என்னன்னு check பண்ணிட்டாலே கரெக்டா வந்துரும். So இந்த இடத்துல 1 2 இருந்தது. So you cannot multiply such a matrix. Okay. Now your final order is going to be of the form 2 by 1. So final matrix 2 by 1 ன்னு இருக்கும்போது அந்த 2 by 1 என்னது x க்கு எவ்வளவு amount ஆயிருக்கு, y க்கு எவ்வளவு amount ஆயிருக்கு. So that is the total amount spent by x in the cities x and y. புரிஞ்சுதா? So now let us do the matrix multiplication. எப்படி செக் பண்ணனும்னு புரிஞ்சுதா? எந்த ரெண்டுத்தையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும், என்ன ஆர்டர்ல பண்ணனும்னு தெரியலனா ஆர்டரை வச்சு செக் பண்ணிடலாம். Okay? Now when I multiply I am going to have 2 by 1. So 2 rows இருக்கப்போது 1 column தான் இருக்கப்போது. So first row and the first column, one and only column. So I am going to have 40,000 plus 5 4 0 50,000 plus 5 8s are 40 and I have 4 more zeros. Correct? 5 5s are 25. This is 50. Okay, please pay attention to the number. So this is 50. 5 5s are 25. Value correct podunga. So 25 followed by 4 zeros. So 4 3s are 12. So 12 followed by 4 zeros plus 1000 into 100. So 1 followed by 1 2 3 4 5 zeros plus 5 followed by 5 zeros. Okay, எத்தனை number of zeros ன்னு carefully போடுங்க. So when I add these, I'll have 4 zeros, 4 zeros, 4 zeros. So first 4 0 எழுதிறேன். Then I have 25 5. 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 4 34. I'm going to have 2 by 1. ரெண்டு row இல்லையா? So 2 by 1. Next 4 zeros and 4 zeros. So in the end I have 4 zeros. Carefully add பண்ணுங்க. 50 plus 10 60. 60 plus 12 is going to be 72. So 7 lakhs 20,000 and 3 lakhs 40,000. So this is in city X and this is in city Y. So this is what they are asking. Please copy. So இவ்வளோ நேரம் example questions பார்த்தாச்சு. Let's move on to exercise 3.2. Okay, exampleum போய் பாருங்க. It will be very very easy to understand. இதுலயும் நான் ஸ்லோவா போடுவேன், but I'll be a little faster than how I taught in the examples. So exampleum போய் பாருங்க. அதுல இன்னும் ஈஸியான sums எல்லாம் இருக்கு. Okay. Now exercise 3.2. Question number 1, find each of the following. First addition, subtraction, இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு தெரியும். Multiplication தான் கொஞ்சம் புதுசா இருக்கு. So let's slowly solve this. So first subsection, I have a plus b, which means I have to add the each individual components, which is going to be 2 plus 1. Correct? இது add பண்ண போறேன். Then 4 plus 3. So I have 4 plus 3 is my second element. Then second row I have 3 minus 2. Then 2 plus 5. So this is going to be 3 7 1 7. So a plus b பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்போ second subsection, a minus b. So this is going to be a minus b na 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 3 minus of minus 2, which is going to be 3 plus 2. Next 2 minus 5. So the answer is going to be 2 minus 1 1, 4 minus 3 is going to be 1, 3 plus 2 5, then 2 minus 5 is going to be minus 3. So a minus b kandupidichachu. Next 3a minus c. So what is 3a minus c? I have to multiply the scalar 3 to all the values inside the matrix. Illaya? So let me first write that. Minus c என்னது? Minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Okay. So when I multiply inside, எல்லாத்துக்கும் multiply பண்ணும். 3 into 2, 3 into 4, 3 into 3, 3 into 2. Correct? So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Minus 2, 5, 3, 4. So when I subtract, I have 6 minus of minus 2, 6 plus 2, then 12 minus 5, 9 minus 3, 6 minus 4. So this is going to be 6 plus 2, 8, 12 minus 5, 7, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 4 is going to be 2. So this is going to be 3a minus c. Okay. Please copy. Now next subsection, I am going to find what my AB is. So AB enna? Let me multiply. Let me first write the matrix. AB is going to be 2, 4, 3, 2 and B is going to be 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Okay, I have written down the matrix. Now matrix multiplication எப்படி பண்ண போறோம்? So first I'll take the first row and first column. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன செக் பண்ணனும்? This is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix and this is also a 2 by 2 matrix. So இங்க இந்த ரெண்டு values செக் பண்ணனும். கரெக்ட்டா? You have two matrix, m by n and n by p. You have to make sure that the number of columns in the first matrix and number of rows in the second matrix are equal. அப்ப நம்ம final matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? It is of the order m by p. Okay? இதெல்லாம் நான் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிட்ட example sum சால்வ் பண்ணும்போதே அந்த வீடியோவும் போய் பாருங்க. Okay? And your final matrix is going to be of the order 2 by 2. Okay? Now let's solve the matrix. So இப்போ first row, first column. So 2 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2. இப்போ second row எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? Let me erase this and focus on the second column. So second column na 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5. Okay. So this is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. Now I'm going to erase this and focus on the second row. So second row, first column. So I'll have 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. Adhe mari, I'll erase this and I'm going to focus on the second column. Second row, second column. So 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5. In the mari nariya sums example la potutten poi paarenga. Okay. 2 ones are 2 minus 4 twos are 8. Then 2 threes are 6 plus 5 fours are 20. 3 ones are 3. Sorry. 3 ones are 3 minus 4, 3 threes are 9 plus 10. So this is going to give me minus 6, 26 minus 1, 19. So this is A, B. Always remember that AB is not equal to BA. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. Okay? Now next subsection BA. So fifth subsection BA, where my B matrix is going to be 1, 3 minus 2, 5. 1, 3 minus 2, 5. And A matrix is going to be 2, 4, 3, 2. 2, 4, 3, 2. Question correct copy pannunga. So this is again of the order 2 by 2, 2 by 2. This multiply pannalam. Okay. So cross check panniyachu. First row, first column. So this is going to be 1 into 2 plus 3 into 3. Now first row, second column. So I am going to have 1 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Now I am going to erase the first row and the first column elements. Now I am going to focus on the second row and the first column. So second row minus 2 into 2 plus 5 into 3. Adhe mari second row, second column. So this is going to be minus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. So this is going to be 2 ones are 2 plus 3 threes are 9, 4 ones are 4 plus 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are minus 4 plus 15, 4 twos are minus 8 plus 10. So the final answer it is going to be 11, 10, 11, 2. So I see that my BA is not equal to AB. Okay, hence proved. Please copy. Prove la panna solli kekla, but namakke theriyano AB is not equal to BA. Okay. Now compute the following. First add panna solranga. So first subsection is going to be I can add A plus A is 2A, B plus B is 2B, minus B plus B is 0, A plus A again going to be 2A. First subsection mudijudhu. Now second subsection. Second is going to be when I add them, I have A square plus B square plus 2AB. Next B square plus C square plus 2BC. Then A square plus C square minus 2AC. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So this is form la irukku. I see that this is of the form A plus B whole square. Correct? So first element A plus B whole square. Next element B plus C whole square. Next A minus C whole square. Correct? Inga minus 2AC irukku. And next element is going to be A minus B the whole square. So these are the elements of the matrix. Okay. So these are the first two subsections. Now next subsection, I have subsection 3. I am simply going to add them. So when I add, I have minus 1 plus 12 is 11, 4 plus 7 11, minus 6 plus 6 0, 8 plus 8 16, 5 plus 0 5, 16 plus 5 is 21, 2 plus 3 is going to be 5, 2 3s are 6, 2 plus 3 5, 8 plus 2 10, then 5 plus 4 9. So this is the third subsection. Now fourth subsection, cos square x plus sin square x, that is the first element. So let me write that. So cos square x plus sin square x. Second sin square x plus cos square x. Second element sin square x plus cos square x. Then third element sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x. Fourth element cos square x plus sin square x. Therida cos square x plus sin square x. So cos square x plus sin square x. Okay. Idhula enna answer varapodhu finally cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1. And this is not the identity matrix. This is not equal to the identity matrix. Identity matrix eppadi irukum? Only the diagonal elements are 1. All the other elements are 0. This is the identity matrix. Okay. Confuse avadinga. Please copy. Question number 3. Compute the indicated product. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix and this is also a 2 by 2 matrix. So multiply pannalama? Pannalam. Now focusing on the first row and the first column. So first subsection, first row la I am going to have A square plus B square. Then first row, second column. So I am going to have minus AB plus AB. Now I am going to erase this and focus on the second row, first column. So second row na minus AB plus AB. Then focusing on second row, second column. So this is going to be minus into minus plus ilya. So plus B square plus A square. So this is going to be A square plus B square 0, 0, a square plus b square. இதில் வேணும்னா a square plus b square வெளியிலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். So a square plus b square வெளியில் எடுத்தா I'll have 1 0 0 1. Okay, அவ்வளவுதான். Now second 1 2 3 2 3 4 1 2 3 2 3 4. So இதை first multiply பண்ண முடியுமா? This is a 3 by 1 matrix and this is a 1 by 3 matrix. இங்கேயும் 1 இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் 1 இருக்கு. So you can multiply. And what is your final matrix going to be? It is of the order 3 by 3. So ஒரு 3 by 3 square matrix வரப்போகுது. So அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம multiply பண்ணணும். So first row, first column. So I'm going to have 2. First row, second column. So 3. First row, third column. 4. இது first row elements. Second row elements, second row, first column. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Then third row, first column. So 3 2s are 6, second column 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So this is going to be the product. Okay, please copy. Now third subsection, this is of the order 2 by 2 and this is of the order 2 by 3. So இங்கேயும் 2 இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் 2 இருக்கு, multiply பண்ண முடியும். And this final one is going to be of the order 2 by 3. Okay, பண்ணலாமா? So this is going to be first row and first column. So I'm going to have 1 into 1 1, 2 into minus 2 into 2 is going to be minus 4. Then first row, second column. So 1 into 2 is going to be 2, then minus 6. Then first row, third column. 1 into 3 3 minus 2. Now I'm going to deal with the second row. So second row, first column. 2 into 1 2 plus 3 2s are 6. Now second row, second column. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9. Then second row, third column. So 3 2s are 6 plus 3 1s are 3. So final என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? It is going to be minus 3, minus 4, 1, 8, 9 plus 4 is going to be 13, 6 plus 3 is going to be 9. Okay, please copy. Fourth subsection, 3 by 3, 3 by 3. So final matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? It is going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. So multiply பண்ணலாமா? First row, first column. So 2 1s are 2 plus 0 plus 12. Now second column, I'm going to have 2 into minus 3, which is going to be minus 6 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 0. Now third column, I'm going to have 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12 plus 5 4s are 20. 3 by 3 matrix வரப்போகுது. Now let me erase and focus on second row, first column. So I have 3 1s are 3 plus 0 plus 5 3s are 15. Second row, second column. So I'm going to have 3 3s are minus 9 plus 8 plus 0. And last column, 3 5s are 15 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 5 5s are 25. Then erase, focusing on third row, first column. So I'm going to have 4 1s are 4 plus 0 plus 18. Third row and second column. So I'm going to have 4 3s are, so minus 12 plus 5 2s are 10 plus 0. Third row, third column. Okay, easier. 5 4s are 20 plus 20 plus 30. Sums நிறைய போட்டுட்டே இருந்தா ஈஸியா சால்வ் பண்ணிடலாம். So this is going to be 14 0, 30 plus 12 is going to be 42, then 18 minus 1, 25 plus 15 is 40, 40 plus 16 is 56, then 18 plus 4 22, minus 12 plus 10, which is going to be minus 2, then 20 20 40 30 70. Okay, so this is going to be the answer. Please copy. Fifth subsection, order check பண்ணலாமா? So this is going to be 3 by 2 and this is going to be 2 by 3. So இங்கேயும் 2 இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் 2 இருக்கு. You can multiply and the final order is going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. பண்ணலாமா? So I'm going to have first row and first column. So first row, first column na 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are minus 1. Okay, and first row, second column. So 2 into 0 0 plus 2. First row, third column. So this is going to be 2 into 1 2 plus 1. அதே மாதிரி let me erase. I'm going to concentrate on second row, first column. So I'm going to have 3 into 1, 3 minus 2, second row, second column. 3 into 0 is 0 plus 4, second row, third column. So 3 into 1, 3 plus 2 into 1, 2. Okay, 3 row irukku podhu. So it's going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. Let me erase and focus on the third row, first column. So I'm going to have minus 1 plus minus 1. Then third row, second column. So this is going to be 0 plus 2. Then third row, third column. So this is minus 1 plus 1. So the final answer is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, minus 2, 2, 0. Okay. So this is going to be the final matrix. Please copy. Values மட்டும் கரெக்டா போடுங்க. Subsection 6. இதை calculate பண்ணலாமா? This is a 3 by 2 matrix and this is a 2 by 3 matrix. போன question மாதிரியே தான். So when I multiply this, I'm going to focus on, sorry, please pay attention. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix and this is a 3 by 2 matrix. இங்கேயும் 3 இருக்கு. So you can multiply and this is going to be of order 2 by 2. Okay, குட்டி matrix வரப்போகுது. So this is going to be focusing on first row and first column. So I'm going to have 3 2s are 6 minus 1 plus 3 3s are 9. First row, second column. So I have 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 0 plus 3. Now erasing, focusing on second row, first column. So I'll have minus 2 plus 0 plus 6. Second row and second column. So I have 3 plus 0 plus 2. So answer enna irukku 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 plus 9 is going to be 14. Minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Minus 2 plus 6, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, so this is the answer. Please copy. Next question. A, B, C கொடுத்திருக்கு. Then compute A plus B, B minus C. Also verify. So இப்போ associative property மாதிரி ஒரு property கொடுத்திருக்கான். இதை check பண்ண சொல்றான். So let me find out A plus B. So A plus B and I'm going to add the corresponding components. 1, 3, 2, minus 1. இந்த மாதிரி add பண்ணிட்டே வர போறேன். So 1 plus 3 is going to be 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Slow-ஆ போணுமா? Please pay attention. பார்த்து போடுங்க. Now third row. 1 plus 2 is going to be 3. Minus 1 plus 0 is going to be minus 1. 1 plus 3 is going to be 4. A plus B கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ B minus C. Let me write B minus C here. So when I subtract B and C, let me erase this. B, C na, I have 3 minus 4. So 3 minus 4 is going to be minus 1. Minus 1 is going to be minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus of minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 3 is going to be 0. B minus C கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Also verify. So இப்போ A plus B minus C பண்ணணும். A plus B minus C is going to be, what is my A? 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. இது A. Plus B minus C என்ன வந்தது? Minus 1, minus 2, 0, 4, minus 1, 3, 1, 2, 0. Okay, so let me add these two. I'm going to have 1 minus 1 is going to be 0. 2 minus 2 is also going to be 0. Minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. 0 minus 1 is going to be minus 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So, this is A plus B minus C. Next, I have to find out A plus B minus C. So, A plus B and A plus B minus C. So, A plus B minus C. What did I get for A plus B? 4, 1, minus 1. 4, 1, minus 1, 9, 2, 7. And last row is going to be 3 minus 1, 4. 3 minus 1, 4. Minus C oda value enna? 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2. 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2. Last row 1 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 2, 3. Okay. Now let me subtract. I'm going to have 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is going to be minus 3. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1 minus of minus 2 is going to be plus 1. 4 minus 3 is going to be 1. I see that this and this are equal. Punjada, please copy. Question number 5. If A and B are given, then compute 3A minus 5B. This is easy, okay? So 3A minus 5B equals 3 times A matrix and it is going to be 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3, 2, 2 by 3. So this is 3 into A minus 5 times B matrix is going to be 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5, 2 by 5. So this is the matrix. When I multiply 3 inside, 3 ஆல எதெல்லாம் cancel ஆகும்? இது இந்த 3, இந்த 3, இந்த 3 எல்லாமே cancel ஆயிடும்ல. Wherever I have a 3 in the denominator, they'll get cancelled. And wherever I don't, it will get multiplied by 3. So I have 3 into இந்த இடத்துல cancel ஆயிடும். So 2, 3 ones are 3. Then I have 5, 1, 2, 4, 7, 3 2s are 6, 2. புரிஞ்சுதா? Minus again. In that 5 into 2 by 5 is going to be 2. Then 5 into 3 by 5 is going to be 3. Then 5. 5 into 1 by 5 is going to be 1. 5 cancel ஆயிடும். Then 5 into 2 by 5 is going to be 2. Then 4, 7, 6, 2. புரிஞ்சுதா? எங்கெல்லாம் 5 denominatorல இருக்கோ எங்கெல்லாம் cancel ஆயிடும். எங்கெல்லாம் இல்லையோ அங்கெல்லாம் multiply ஆகும். Okay? When I subtract this, 2 minus 2 is going to be 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. So basically they are equal matrices. I am getting a 0 matrix. Okay, please copy. Now simplify this. I have to multiply the cos inside the matrix. So first to multiply panna, I'll have cos square theta sin theta cos theta, then I'll have minus sin theta cos theta, inga enna irukku cos square theta, plus when I multiply this inside, I'll have sin square theta, then inga minus sin theta cos theta, here I have sin theta cos theta, and I'll have a minus plus sin square theta here. When I add these two, what will I have? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, inga enna irukku sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, மொத்தத்துல cancel ஆக போகுது. So sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta, I'm adding, and in the பக்கம் I have cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, when I add these two, I'll have 1 0 0 1. So I'm getting a identity matrix. இது தான் identity matrix. Okay, please copy. Question number 7. Find the value of x and y if இதே மாதிரி ஒரு example question போட்டிருக்கோம், அதே மாதிரி போட போறோம். Okay, so x and y எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறேன்? First of all, I'm going to add my LHS. So x minus y. இதையும் add பண்ணா right hand side I have to add இல்லையா? So 7 0 2 5 plus 3 0 0 3. Okay, இப்போ left hand side என்ன ஆகும்? Y and y will get cancelled. I'll be left with 2x equals, இங்க என்ன ஆகுது? 7 plus 3 is 10, 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, 5 plus 3 is going to be 8. Now x equals, I have to divide by 2. இல்லையா? Divide by 2 பண்ணா I'll have 5 0 1 4. So this is going to be x matrix. இப்போ y எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? இந்த இடத்துல x க்கு substitute பண்ணி இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்து minus x னு பண்ணலாம். This is one option. And what is the second option? Instead of adding, இப்போ இந்த பக்கம் add பண்ணோம்ல, இதே மாதிரி I can subtract. When I subtract, what will I have? X plus y minus x minus y. இந்த பக்கம் I'll again have to subtract the 2. So I'll have 7 0 2 5 minus 3 0 0 3. So when I subtract these two, what will I have in the left hand side? X plus y minus x plus y. So here I can cancel the x and the x. I'll have 2y. In the pakka subtract panna, I'll have 7 minus 3 is going to be 4. 0, 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 3 is going to be again 2. So I have 2y equals 4 0 2 2. So y oda value enna divide by 2 panna, I'll have 2 0 1 1. Okay, please copy. Subsection 2. So இங்கேயுமே I have 2x plus 3y, 3x plus 2y. இப்போ நம்ம போன question மாதிரியே போட்டாதான் இதுவும் ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Okay, so அதே மெத்தட்ல போட்டா I'm going to multiply this particular equation by 3. To multiply this particular equation by 2. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? இந்த இடத்துல I'll have 6x plus 9y, and இங்க என்ன ஆகும்? 6x plus 4y. So I can cancel the 6x and the 6x. அப்ப இந்த பக்கமும் 3 ஆல multiply பண்ணும். கரெக்ட்டா? So let me write the equations first. So I have 6x plus 9y equals, இந்த பக்கமும் 3 ஆல multiply பண்ணா I have 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 0. So this is one equation. And what is the other equation? 6x plus 4y equals, 2 ஆல multiply பண்ணா 2 2s are 4, minus 4, 2 1s are minus 2, 5 2s are 10. So when I add these, when I subtract these two, இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் subtract பண்ணாதானே 6x உம் 6x உம் cancel ஆகும். When I subtract, I have 9y minus 4y equals, I can subtract what is inside. So I have 6, 9, 12, 0, minus 4, minus 4, minus 2, 10. So I have 5y equals, when I subtract, 6 minus 4 is going to be 2, 9 minus of minus 4 is 13, 12 minus of minus 2 is 14, and 0 minus 10 is going to be minus 10. So இதில இருந்து y value is going to be 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, minus 10 by 5 is going to be minus 2. So இது y value கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. So similarly I have to find the x value. இப்போ x value நான் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறேன்? I'm going to multiply the equation by 2. So இப்போ உல்டாவா பண்ண போறேன். I'm going to multiply the first equation by 2. I'll change the color. Multiply the first equation by 2 and second equation by 3. அப்பதானே இது வந்து 6y ஆகும், இதுவும் 6y ஆகும். Okay, I'm going to multiply the first equation by 2. So I have 4x plus 6y. So 4x plus 6y equals, இந்த பக்கம் I have to multiply by 2. So I have 4 6 8 0. 4 6 8 0. புரியுதா? right hand side ல இருக்கிறது I'm multiplying by 2. இப்போ இந்த பக்கம் I have to multiply by 3. So I have 9x plus 6y. 9x plus 6y equals, right hand side I have to multiply by 3. Correct? So I have 6 minus 6 minus 3. 6 minus 6 minus 3. 3 ala multiply panna 15. Okay, now again when I subtract these two equations, 6y 6y cancel aidum. I have 4x minus 9x equals, when I subtract 4 6 8 0 minus 6 minus 6 minus 3 15. So when I subtract, I'll have in the pakam minus 5x, and here I have 4 minus 6 is minus 2, 6 minus of minus 6 12, 8 minus of minus 3 11, 0 minus 15 is going to be minus 15. So from this I have x equals 5 wala minus 5 wala divide panna, I have 2 by 5, minus 12 by 5, minus 11 by 5, 15 by 5 is going to be 3. Okay, so x and y value kandupidichachu. Please copy. Question number 8. Find x if y value kuduthirukku, x value kandupidikanum. Romba simple. So you have 2x plus y equals 1 0 minus 3 2. So I can do 2x equals 1 0 minus 3 2 minus y. In the y in the book kondu vanda, I'll have minus y, and what is my y matrix? 3 2 1 4. Okay, so when I subtract, I'll have 1 minus 3 is going to be minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2 minus 4 is going to be minus 2. So this is 2x. Appa x divided by 2 panna, I have minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, so this is the x matrix. Please copy. Question number 9. These are easy questions. Find x and y if this is the case. So first 2 ulla multiply pannalama. So I have 2, 2 3s are 6, 0, 2x. So this is the first matrix plus y 0 1 2 equals in the pakka enna irukku 5 6 1 8. So first I have to add these two. So what is the matrix going to be? 2 plus y, 2 into y pannidadinga, 2 plus y, and 6 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 2x plus 2. This is equal to 5 6 1 8. Okay, 6 plus 0 is going to be simply 6, and 0 plus 1 is going to be simply 1. Correct? So iduvum equal, iduvum equal. I have to equate the two matrices because they are equal. So 2 plus y equals 5. Sorry, 6 and 6 are equal. So 2 plus y equals 5 and 2x plus 2 equals 8. Correct? So when I equate, I have 2 plus y equals 5. So y equals 3, and 2x plus 2 equals 8. 2x equals 6. X is equal to 3. Okay? So x and y value kandupidichachu. Very, very simple. Please copy. Question number 10. Solve the equation for x, y, z, t. In the value na kandupidikano. So let me multiply the scalars inside. So I have 2x, 2z, z and 2 varudhuna careful ah podunga. 2z differentiate panni podunga. 2y, 2t. This is the first matrix. Second 3 ulla multiply panna poren. So I have 3 minus 3 0 6. And the other side again 3 ulla multiply panna, I have 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18. Okay, now this is going to be add panna 2x plus 3, 2x into 3 pannidadinga, 2x plus 3, then 2z minus 3, 2y plus 0, 2t plus 6, and this is going to be 9, 15, 12, 18. Now equating the individual components. So I have 2x plus 3 equals 9, 2z minus 3 equals 15, 2y equals 12, 2t plus 6 equals 18. So from this I have 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. 2z equals 18, z equals 9, y equals 6. 2t equals 18 minus 6 is going to be 12. So t equals 6. 12 by 6, 12 by 2, which is going to be 6. Okay, please copy. So the values are 3, 9, 6 and 6. Question number 11. Again, find the value of x and y. Romba easy ah irukku. So the first matrix is going to be 2x, 3x plus y ulla multiply panna minus y plus y equals 10, 5. When I multiply it, add it inside, 2x minus y, 3x plus y equals 10, 5. Now equating, I have 2x minus y equals 10, 3x plus y equals 5. Elimination method, when I add these two, I can cancel the minus y and the plus y. I have 5x equals 15. So x equals 5. Sorry, x equals 3. 15 by 5, which is going to be 3. Now, this equation la substitute panna y value kandupidikalam. So I have 2x minus y equals 10. 2 into 3 minus y equals 10. So 6 minus y equals 10. Minus y equals 10 minus 6, 4. So y equals minus 4. Okay, please copy. Question number 12. Find the values of x, y, z, w. அவ்வளவுதான் இதே மாதிரி questions தான் வரப்போகுது. Solve it along with me. So this is going to be 3x, 3y, 3z, 3w. இது first matrix equals. இந்த பக்கம் என்ன இருக்கு? When I add these two, I have 4 plus x. Multiply பண்ணாம add பண்ணும். 6 plus x plus y. Then இங்க minus 1 plus z plus w, 2w plus 3. Okay, when I equate, I'll have 4 plus x equals 3x. From here I have 4 equals 2x and x is equal to 2. இப்போ x ஓட value கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Next, இந்த இடத்துல I have 3y equals 6 plus x plus y. 2y equals 6 plus x. 2y equals x இப்பதான் கண்டுபிடிச்சோம், which is 6 plus 2, which is 8. So y equals 8 by 2, which is 4. So y value கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Next equation is going to be, I'll write this. So 2w plus 3 equals 3w. I'm going to write this. 2w plus 3 equals 3w. So I have 3 equals w. So w value கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Last equation is going to be minus 1 plus z plus w equals 3z. w இப்பதான் 3 னு கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். So I have minus 1 plus 3 equals 3z minus z. So I have 2 equals 2z, z equals 1. Okay. So we have found out all the values. Please copy. Question number 13. Show that f of x, f of y equals f of x plus y. பண்ணலாமா? So what is f of x? f of x times f of y is going to be, first let me write the matrix. So I have cos x minus sin x 0, sin x, cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. And f of y is going to be எங்கெல்லாம் x இருக்கோ அதெல்லாம் y ஆ மாத்தணும், அவ்வளவுதான். So cos y minus sin y 0, sin y, cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, let me start multiplying. So first row, first column. So I'm going to have cos x, cos y, minus sin x, sin y. இப்போ first row, second column. So I'm going to have cos x, sin y, minus cos x, sin y, minus sin x, cos y. Last element is 0 ஆ இருக்க போகுது. Now, let me erase this. I'm going to focus on the second row, first column. So, second row என்ன இருக்கு? I have sin x, cos y, plus cos x, sin y. Second element என்ன? I'll have minus sin x, sin y, plus cos x, cos y. Last element 0. Then again, final I have 0, 0, 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0. And இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? Again I'll have 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then last I have 0 plus 0 plus 1. So now what is the first line going to be? First line cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this is how the form cos of a plus b, cos of x plus y. So cos of x plus y. Next I have minus cos x sin y minus sin x cos y. So plus sin x cos y. So this is how the form sin of a plus b, but வெளியில ஒரு minus இருக்கு. So I have minus sin of x plus y. Okay. Next 0 இருக்கு. Next sin x cos y, cos x sin y. So this is going to be sin of x plus y without the minus sign. Sin of x plus y. Then this is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this is going to be cos of x plus y again. So cos of x plus y. இங்க 0. Then I have 0, 0 and 1. So this is going to be f of x times f of y. இப்போ f of x plus y கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So what is it going to be? I'll write it here. f of x plus y is going to be, wherever I have x, I'm going to replace by x plus y. So first line la cos x. So cos of x plus y, then sin x இருக்கு. So sin of x plus y, இங்க 0 இருக்கு. Next, I'm going to take sin x. Sin x க்கு பதிலா I'm going to put x plus y. So sin of x plus y, then cos of x plus y, 0, last row la 0, 0, 1. So I see that f of x, f of y is going to be f of x plus y. புரிஞ்சுதா? இதுக்கெல்லாம் trigonometric identities தெரியணும். அப்பதான் போட முடியும். Okay? Question number 14. Show that they are not equal. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? This is a, b and this is b, a. I have to show that ab is not equal to ba. So multiplication பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? So I'm going to have first row, first column. So I'm going to do AB first. So first row, first column na 5 2s are 10, minus 3. For first row, second column. So 5 ones are 5 minus 4. Now second row, first column. 6 2s are 12 plus 7 3s are 21. 6 ones are 6 plus 7 4s are 28. Okay. So this is going to be 10 minus 3, which is 7. 5 minus 4, 1. 12 plus 21 is 33. 28 plus 6 is going to be 34. So 7, 1, 33, 34. இது வந்து first element. இப்போ BA. BA na enna agapodhu? First row, first column. So 2 5s are 10 plus 6. Then first row, second column. So minus 2 plus 7. Second row, first column. 5 3s are 15 plus 6 4s are 24. 3 minus 1. So minus 3 plus 28. So this is going to be 16, 5, 39. 28 minus 3 is 25. I see that AB is not equal to BA. Okay. Hence proved. Please copy. Subsection 2. Again the same thing. So first ஒரு matrix பண்ணலாமா? So first this and this. So this is going to be AB னு எழுத போறேன் and this is going to be BA. Okay? AB is going to be first row minus 1 plus 0 plus 6. Second, first row, second column. So this is going to be 1 into 1 1 minus 2 plus 3 3s are 9. Now third column. So 1 into 0 0 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 2 3s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Now second row, first column. So I have 0 plus 0 plus 0. I have 0 minus 1 plus 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0. Okay, but third row. 1 1 0. Yeah, so 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 plus 0 plus 0. 1 minus 1 plus 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0. So this is going to be கையை வச்சு வச்சு போடுங்க. ஒன்னொன்னா எந்த ரோ எந்த காலம்னு பார்த்து பார்த்து போட்டாலே வந்துரும். So minus 1 plus 6 5. Minus 1 plus 9 is 8. 12 plus 2 14. 0 minus 1 1. Minus 1 0 1. Okay, so this is going to be AB matrix. இப்போ BA matrix கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So BA is going to be first row, first column. So I have minus 1 plus 0 plus 0. Minus 1 plus 0 plus 0. Then first row, second column. So I have minus 2 plus 1 plus 0. Minus 2 plus 1 plus 0. Then third, minus 3 plus 0 plus 0. Minus 3 plus 0 plus 0. For second row. So I have 0 plus 0 plus 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1. Next 0 minus 1 plus 1. 0 minus 1 plus 1. And 0, sorry, minus 3 0 0. So I'm minus 3 0 0. Okay, second row தான பார்க்குறோம். Minus 3 0 and 0. Okay, next last row 2 0 4. So 2 0 4. Next 2 2s are இதுவும் இதுவும். So 2 2s are 4 3 4. 4 3 4. Next last 3 2s are 6 0 0. 6 0 0. Okay, so this is going to be minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 1 0 minus 3. 4 plus 2 is going to be 6. 4 plus 4 8 9 10 11 6. So this is BA. So we have proved that AB is not equal to BA. Okay, please copy. This is a 0. Okay, please change. This is 0 and this is also a 0. Okay, please copy. Question number 15. A square minus 5a plus 6i. So first a square கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So a square is going to be a into a. So a into a multiply பண்ணலாமா? So 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. I am going to repeat again to 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. So when I multiply, I have to concentrate on first row, first column. So I have 2 2s are 4 plus 0 plus 1. First row, second column. So it is going to be 2 into 0 plus 0 minus 1. First row, last column. So I have 2 into 1 2 plus 0 plus 0. அதே மாதிரி இப்போ second row, first column. Second row, first column, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 plus 3. Second row, second column. So 2 into 0 0 plus 1 minus 3. Then second row, third column. 2 into 1 2 plus 3 plus 0. For last, I have minus 1 into 2. So 2 minus 2 plus 0. Then 1 into 0 is going to be 0 minus 1 plus 0. Then 1 into 1 is going to be 1 minus 3 plus 0. So இப்போ என்ன வருது? I have 4 plus 1 5 minus 1, 2. Then 4 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Minus 2, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 1, minus 2. So this is going to be a square. Okay, இப்போ என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றான்? a square minus 5a plus 6i. So a square minus 5a plus 6i equals a square என்ன வந்தது? 5 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 2, 5. 0 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 5 times a. இப்போ a ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? 201, 213, 201, 213, 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 5a plus 6i. I na anartham, you have a 3 by 3 matrix. So this is how it is going to be. Okay? 6 into I. இப்போ இந்த values எல்லாம் consolidate பண்ணலாமா? So I'm going to have, first let me write, 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 5 உள்ள multiply பண்ணா, I have 10, 0, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5, minus 5, 0. Plus, இங்க என்ன வரும்? 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. Okay, now the final is going to be, I have to take 5 minus 10 plus 6. Next row la minus 1 minus 0 plus 0. 2 minus 5 plus 0. Second row la 9 minus 10 plus 0. Minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. 5 minus 15 plus 0. Last row la 0 minus 5 plus 0. Then minus 1 plus 5 plus 0. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 6. Okay. So in the values la enna varka podhu, I'll write it here. I have 5 minus 10 minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1 is going to be 1. Then minus 1 minus 0, 0. This is going to be minus 1. Then 2 minus 5 is going to be minus 3. 9 minus 10 is going to be minus 1. Minus 5 minus 5 minus 7. Minus 7 plus 6 is going to be minus 1. Then minus 5, 15, minus 10. 0 minus 5, minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is going to be 4. Then minus 2 plus 6 is going to be 4. So this is going to be the final value. Okay, please copy. Question number 16. If a equals, find a cube minus a square. So in the value kandupidikanum. So first a cube a square kandupidichalam. So let me find out a square first, which is going to be 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3. Again 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3. When I multiply first row, first column. So 1 plus 0 plus 4. Now second column 0 plus 0 plus 0. Third column 2 plus 0 plus 6. With practice, gadagadan poda aramikalam. Okay. Now second row, first column. So I have 0 plus 0 plus 2. Then 0 plus 4 plus 0. 0 into 2 is going to be 0 plus 2 plus 3. Last row, 2 into 1 is going to be 2 plus 0 plus 6. Then 2 into 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then 2 into 2, 4 plus 0 plus 9. So this is going to be 5, 0, 8, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13. So I found out what my a square is. Okay, இப்போ a cube என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So a cube is going to be a square times a, which is going to be 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13 times a என்ன? 102, 021, 102, 021, 203. Okay, again first row, first column. So this is going to be 5 plus 0 plus a 2s are 16. Then first row, second column, 0 plus 0 plus 0. First row, last column. So 5 2s are 10 plus 0 plus a 3s are 24. Then 2 1s are 2 plus 0 plus 5 2s are 10. Then 0 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 0. 2 2s are 4 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 5 3s are 15. 8 1s are 8 plus 0 plus 13 2s are 26. Then 8 zeros are 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then 8 2s are 16 plus 0 plus 13 3s are 39. So a cube enna varudhu? So this is going to be 15 plus 16 plus 5, 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 15 plus 4 is 19, 19 plus 4, 23, 26 plus 8 is going to be 34, 0, 39 plus 16 is going to be 40, 55. Okay, A cube கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Now I have to substitute in the equation. A cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i equals 0. A cube என்ன வந்தது 21 0 34 21 0 34 12 8 23 12 8 23 34 0 55 34 0 55. So this is a cube minus 6 times a square என்ன வந்தது 508245 508245 8013. The a square plus 7 times a என்ன 102 021 102 021 203 plus 2 into I, which is simple, 200 020 002. Okay, simple. இப்போ values எல்லாம் consolidate பண்ணலாமா? So this is going to be 0 ன்னு prove பண்ணணும். So first let me write 21 0 34 12 8 23 34 0 55 minus இங்க 6 உள்ள multiply பண்ணா 6 5s are 30 0 8 6 are 48 6 2s are 12 6 4s are 24 6 5s are 30 6 8s are 48 0 13 into 6 6 3s are 18 1 6 1s are 6 7 78 plus இங்க 7 உள்ள multiply பண்ணா 7 0 14 0 14 7 14 0 21 plus finally 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. Okay, so what is inside? I have 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. Next 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. Second row 12 minus 12 plus 0 plus 0. Next 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus 2. 23 minus 13 plus 7 plus 0. 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next 55 minus 78 plus 21 plus 2. Okay, இப்போ எதெல்லாம் 0? I see that this is 0, this is 0, 23 minus 30 plus 7 minus 7 இது 0, இதுவும் 0. இப்போ மற்ற values எல்லாம் 0 1 check பண்ணணும். So I have 21 minus 30 is going to be minus 9, minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2 plus 2, இதுவும் 0. Then here I have 34 minus 48 which is going to be minus 14 plus 14, this is also 0. Then here I have 8 minus 24 which is going to be minus 16 plus 16 which is also 0. Then 34 minus 48 plus 14, again this is also 0. இப்போ 58, இப்போ இங்க 58 21 is going to be 76 78, 78 minus 78 is also 0. So finally I'm getting a 3 by 3 matrix which is all 0 and this is going to be a 0 matrix. Okay, please copy. Question number 17. Find k so that a square equals ka minus 2i. So first a square கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So I have 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 times 3 minus 2 4 minus 2. பெரிய பெரிய questions எல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு இது ரொம்ப easy. So first row first column, this is going to be 3 3s are 9 minus 4 2s are 8. Then 3 2s are second row first row second column, 3 2s are minus 6 plus 4 4 3s are 12 minus 8. Then last row last column, 4 2s are minus 8 plus 4. So this is going to be 9 minus 8 1 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 12 minus 8 is going to be 4 minus 8 minus 4 plus 4 is going to be minus 4. Okay, so a square கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ ka minus 2i, let me substitute in the equation. A square plus 2i equals ka, correct? So k times what is the a matrix? 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 equals a square which is 1 minus 2 4 minus 4 plus 2 times I which is 1 0 0 1. Okay, when I multiply k inside, 3k minus 2k 4k minus 2k. So this is equal to, when I add these two, I have in that 2 உள்ள multiply பண்ணா I'll have 2002 இல்லையா? So அதை multiply பண்ணிடுறேன். Now I'm going to add 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 2 4 plus 0 is 4 minus 4 plus 2 is going to be minus 2. When I equate, I have k 3k equals 3. So k equals 1. அதே தான் எல்லா கேசஸ்க்கும். Okay. So I have finally k equals 1. So k equals 1. That's the value. Okay. Please copy. Question number 18. So if A equals this and I is the identity matrix of order 2, show that I plus A equals I minus A times this. So first, what is I plus A? I plus A is simply going to be A. So LHS is going to be A. Now RHS is கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So what is I minus A first? So I minus A is going to be 1, 0, 0, 1 minus 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0. So when I subtract, I'm going to have 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus of tan alpha is going to be tan alpha by 2. 0 minus tan alpha is going to be minus tan alpha by 2. 1 minus 0 is going to be 1. So, this is I minus A. Now, I minus A times this. So, I'm going to have I minus A times cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. So, this is going to be, I'm going to multiply. I minus A now there 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 and 1. In the book, I'm going to have cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay, let me start multiplying. I'm going to have first row, first column. So, I have cos alpha times alpha by 2, alpha. Okay, cos alpha times sin alpha tan alpha by 2. So, this ரெண்டுத்தையும் add பண்ணணும். Cos alpha, இது வந்து first element. Second element is going to be minus sin alpha plus cos alpha tan alpha by 2. Next, minus cos alpha tan alpha by 2 plus sin alpha. Next, minus into minus plus, I have sin alpha tan alpha by 2 plus cos alpha. Okay. Write tan alpha by 2 as sin by cos. Ilya tan another sin by cos. So this is going to be cos alpha plus sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. Inge enna irukku sin alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Next element is going to be minus cos alpha sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha. And the last element is going to be sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus cos alpha. இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? I'm going to take the LCM. இந்த இடத்துல cos alpha by 2 இருக்கு. I'm going to take the LCM all over. So இந்த இடத்துலயும் cos alpha by 2 ஆல multiply பண்ண போறேன். Okay? So when I do that, I'll have cos alpha by 2. I'll write it here. So this is going to be first element is cos alpha by 2 plus what is remaining? Sin alpha by 2. Sin alpha by 2, the whole divided by cos alpha by 2. Apro, next term is going to be in the cos alpha. So this when I multiply sin alpha cos alpha by 2. So I have minus sin alpha cos alpha by 2 plus plus cos alpha sin alpha by 2 plus cos alpha sin alpha by 2, the whole divided by cos alpha by 2. So this is the second element. Now third element. I'm going to take cos alpha by 2 again. So minus cos alpha sin alpha by 2 minus cos alpha sin alpha by 2 plus sin alpha cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha cos alpha by 2. Last element enna? Sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2. இங்கேயும் denominatorல cos alpha by 2 இருக்கு. இங்கேயும் denominatorல cos alpha by 2 இருக்கு. Okay. Now, what am I going to have in the numerator? First in the cos alpha by 2 வெளியில எடுத்துடலாமா? I'll take the cos alpha by 2 outside. So I have 1 by cos alpha by 2 from all the terms. So numeratorல here I have cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. So this is going to be cos of A minus B. So second element enna? இந்த இடத்துல I have cos A sin B minus sin A cos B. So basically sin A cos B minus cos A sin B தான் sin of A minus B. So this is sin of A minus B ஓட negation. Okay, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B oda negation. And what is the next term? This term, it's going to be cos A sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So this is simply sin of A minus B. Okay, and this is sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. So this is going to be cos of A minus B. Okay, idu varaikum purinjudha? So now let me apply this. Cos of A minus B na, this is going to be cos of alpha minus alpha by 2. Next term minus sin of alpha minus alpha by 2. Identity use panni solve panna vendida. Next is sin of A minus B. So this is going to be sin of alpha minus alpha by 2. And the last one is going to be cos of alpha minus alpha divided by 2. இப்போ உள்ள bracketல இருக்கிற theta மட்டும் I'm going to subtract. So this is going to be cos alpha by 2. This is minus sin alpha by 2. This is sin alpha by 2. And this is cos alpha by 2. இப்போ இந்த alpha by 2 நான் உள்ள எடுத்துட்டு வந்தேனா என்ன ஆகும்? This becomes cos alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. Correct? So when I bring the cos alpha by 2 inside, I'll have 1. Then this term becomes minus sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. So this becomes minus tan alpha by 2. In the term becomes tan alpha by 2. And the last term becomes cos alpha by 2, cos alpha by 2. So this becomes 1. And this is nothing but A dana nama question itself. So this is nothing but A. And this is our RHS. If LHS enna vandhude, it is also simply A. So from this we say that LHS equals RHS. Okay, please copy. Identity use panni pota podum. All the formulas you should know from trigonometry. Okay. Now question number 19. Word problem. A trust fund has 30,000 that must be invested in two different types of bond. So இப்போ bond 1ல I'm investing X rupees. அப்போ bond 2ல எவ்வளோ இருக்கும்? I'm going to invest 30,000 minus X. கரெக்டா? 30,000 ரொம்ப பெருசா போயிடுச்சு. 30,000 minus X. Okay, ரெண்டு bond இருக்கு. Bond 1ல X, bond 2ல 30,000 minus X. The first bond pays 5% interest per year and the second bond pays 7% interest per year. Using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide 30,000 among the two types of bond. If the trust fund must obtain an annual interest of, இவ்ளோ annual interest இருக்கு, இதில் எப்படி obtain பண்ண போறோம்? So basically this is going to be 5% of X plus 7% of 30,000 minus X. இதுதான் நம்ம நார்மலா சால்வ் பண்ற விதம். இப்போ மேட்ரிக்ஸ் மெத்தட்ல இதை எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ண போறோம்? So basically I'm going to have first bond is going to be 5 by 100 and the second bond is going to be 7 by 100. So இது ஒரு matrix. Okay, and the next matrix is going to be X 30,000 minus X. So இந்த மாதிரி எழுதுறோம். So this is going to be a 1 by 2 matrix. ஒரு row இருக்கு, இங்க ரெண்டு column இருக்கு. So how should I multiply this? I have to multiply X times X 30,000 minus X times 5 by 100 and 7 by 100. Correct? இப்படி தானே multiply பண்ணணும் because this is of the form 1 by 2 and this is 2 by 1. அப்போ final order is going to be 1 by 1. I need to obtain one single value. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் மொத்தமா ஆட் பண்ணா ஒரே ஒரு வேல்யூ தான் கிடைக்கணும். மாத்தி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா I'll get a 2 by 2 matrix. அப்ப 4 எலிமெண்ட் வச்சுட்டு நான் என்ன பண்றது? அப்படி பண்ணக்கூடாது. You should only have one single element in the end because you're finding one single value. இவ்ளோ நீங்க மணி போடுறீங்கன்னா 2 வருஷம் கழிச்சு எவ்வளவு வரப்போகுது? ரெண்டு பாண்ட்ல இருந்து எவ்வளவு வரப்போகுது? Is the question. Okay? So when you multiply, what are you going to get? When I multiply this, I'm going to have 5 by 100 times X plus 30,000 minus X times 7 by 100. இப்போ நம்ம word problemலயும் இதே தான் வந்தது, matrix multiplicationலயும் இதே தான் வருது. Okay, so what is this going to be? The answer is going to be 5 by 100 times X plus இந்த இடத்துல 30,000 into 7, so 21 1 2 3 4 divided by 100 minus 7x divided by 100. So this is going to be 5 minus 7 is minus 2x by 100 plus இந்த இடத்துல ரெண்டு 0 cancel ஆச்சுனா I'll be left with 2100 plus 2100. And here I can also cancel this. 2 5s are, so 50. So the final value is going to be 2100 minus x divided by 50. So இது வந்து annual. Okay, இப்போ questionல என்ன கேக்குறான்? We have found out the amount. If the trust fund must obtain an annual total interest of இவ்ளோ வருது அப்படின்னா x எவ்வளோன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். You have to find out what the amount is. x எவ்வளோ, 30,000 minus x எவ்வளோன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So first caseல 1800. So I have to equate 2100 minus x divided by 15 to 1800. Okay, so இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணா I'll have 2100 minus 1800 equals x divided by 50. So from this I have 21 minus 18 is going to be 300 times 50 equals x. So x is equal to 15,000. அப்போ 30,000 minus x என்ன? 30,000 minus x is going to be again 15,000. So bond 1ல 15,000 and bond 2ல 15,000. இப்போ second caseல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான்? 2,000. So second caseல it is going to be 2,000 னா 2100 minus x divided by 50 equals 2,000. So I have 100 equals x divided by 50. So x is equal to 5,000. இது வந்து bond 1. இப்போ bond 2ல என்ன இருக்கும்? 30,000 minus x which is going to be 25,000. So this is going to be the amount that you have to invest for bond 2. புரிஞ்சுதா? matrix multiplication வச்சு எப்படி word problem solve பண்றதுன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Okay? Please copy. Question number 20. The bookshop of a particular school has 10 dozen chemistry books, 8 dozen physics book and 10 dozen economic book. Okay? இப்போ chemistry எவ்வளோ இருக்கு? 10 dozen physics book and physics வந்து 8 dozen and economics is going to be 10 dozen. ஒரு dozenல எவ்வளோ இருக்கும்? 1 dozen equals 12 books. Okay? So first அதை multiply பண்ணணும். Their selling prices are 80, 60, 40. அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? 10 into 80 plus 8 into 60 plus 10 into 40. இப்படிதானே நம்ம final answer என்னவா வரணும்? It should be a 1 by 1 matrix. So நான் எப்படி எழுத போறேன்? First of all, I'm going to write 10 dozen எல்லாமே. So I have to multiply by 12. So 10, 8, 10. So these are all going to be the books and the values, prices are going to be 80, 60, 40. இப்போ நான் இதை எப்படி multiply பண்ண போறேன்? 3 into 1, 1 into 3. இப்படியே multiply பண்ணா 3 by 3 வரும். But my matrix has to be a 1 by 1 matrix. So 1 by 1 னா எப்படி multiply பண்ண போறேன்? The multiplication is going to be 80, 60, 40 times 12 multiply பண்ணா 120, 8 2s are 16, 1 8 1s are 8, 96 and 120. Okay? So this is how the matrix multiplication should happen. So this is 1 by 3 and this is 3 by 1. So இப்போ the multiply பண்ணா what will I have? I'll have 80 into 120 plus 60 into 96 plus 40 into 120. So you will have a 1 by 1 matrix. So when I add, I'll have 2 0, 8 2s are 16, 1 8 1s are 9, 600 plus 6 6 are 36, 3 9 6 are 54, 55 56 57. So 5760 plus 12 4s are 48, 4800. When I add them, I have 960, 576, 480, கடைசில ஒரு 0. So 6, then 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 8 is going to be 21, 2, 9 10 11, 11 plus 19 is going to be 20. So 2016 with a 0 in the end. So finally 20160. So this is going to be the total amount. Okay? Please copy. Question number 21. Assume x, y, z, p are matrices of order. So first அதை எழுதலாமா? X is going to be of order 2 by n. Y is going to be of order 3 by k. W is going to be of order 2 by p. And p is of order x, y, z இருக்கா நடுவுல. So z. So z is of order 3, 2 by p. W is of order n by 3. N by 3 and p is of order p by k. Okay? Choose the correct answer. The restriction on n, k, p so that p, y plus w, y are defined. So, இப்போ p, y na anartham. P is p cross k and y is going to be 3 cross k. ரெண்டு vector, ரெண்டு matrices add பண்ணோம்னா என்ன ரெண்டுமே equal இருக்கணும் இல்லையா? They should be of equal order. So, p by k and 3 by k. So, from this I see that p should be equal to 3. Correct? So this is one condition. அடுத்து w and y. So w is of order n by 3. Y is again of order 3 by k. So இது ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலா இருக்கணும்னா I see that I have to have n is equal to 3 and k equals 3. So n equals 3 and k equals 3. So these are the two conditions I should have. புரியுதா? இப்போ ரெண்டு matrix நான் add பண்றேன்னா they should be of same order. So from this I see that p should be equal to 3 and from this I see that n equals 3 and 3 equals k. So I have n equals 3, k equals 3 and p equals 3. So from this I see that என்ன option இருக்கு? p equals n na, n ரெண்டுமே 3. So p equals n. So I have p equals n and k equals 3. So this is the option. Okay? Please copy. Last question. If n equals p, then the order of the matrix. So I have 7x minus 5z. First x க்கு என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? 2 by n. So I have xக்கு வந்து 2 by n and zக்கு 2 by p. So 2 by p கொடுத்திருக்கு. For to subtract the matrices, I need to have the same order. So from this, I have n equals p. So n equals p னு கொடுத்துட்டான். Then the order of the matrix 7x minus 5z is going to be 2 by n or 2 by p. இது ரெண்டுத்துல ஏதோ ஒரு order தான் இருக்க போகுது. So this is going to be 2 by n. Okay? Please copy. So with this, we are done with the exercise. Let's move on to the next topic. Okay? Moving on to the next topic, transpose of a matrix. இப்போ transpose na என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஒரு matrix இருக்குன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. So you have 1, 2, 3. So the transpose of this is going to be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is basically the transpose of a matrix. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? You can change the rows to columns and columns to row. இப்போ for example, here you see the example 3, 5, root 3, 1, 0, 1 by 5. இப்போ 3, 5 என்னாச்சு? இங்க rowல இருந்து it has become the column. Again, இந்த இடத்துல row-ஆ இருந்தது, here it has become a column. இங்க row-ஆ இருந்தது, here it has become a column. So basically, the row becomes the column and the column becomes the row. இவ்வளவுதான் transpose. முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. row-ஆ இருக்கிறத column-ஆ மாத்தணும், column-ஆ இருக்கிறத row-ஆ மாத்தணும். Okay? இதுல properties-லாம் இருக்கு. என்னென்ன properties இருக்கு? So you have A transpose, அதை திரும்ப transpose பண்ணா you'll get back A. கரெக்டா இப்ப A-வை வந்து transpose பண்றோம். So row becomes the column, column becomes the row. திரும்ப அதை transpose பண்ணா again the row becomes the column and column becomes the row. பழைய மாதிரி ஆயிடும். So A transpose ஓட whole transpose is going to be A. Okay? அதே மாதிரி KA the whole transpose is going to be K times A transpose. Obviously, K is simply a constant. K is not a matrix. So அதை நம்ம row columnல எதுவும் மாத்த வேண்டாம். K is simply a scalar value. So K அப்படியே தான் இருக்க போகுது. A transpose மட்டும் தான் மாறும். So this you represent by A transpose or A dash எப்படி வேணா நம்ம சொல்லலாம். Okay? And you have A plus B the whole transpose is going to be A transpose plus B transpose. But product la AB the whole transpose is going to be B transpose times A transpose. ஏன்னா product la you very well know that AB is not equal to BA. Correcta? So அதே மாதிரி AB the whole transpose is going to be B transpose A transpose. Okay? So இப்போ ஒரு example போடலாமா? So you have if A equals this and B equals this, verify. So இப்போ first subsection A equals 3, 4, root 3, 2, 2, 0. இப்போ A transpose எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? row-ஆ இருக்கிறத column-ஆ மாத்தணும், column-ஆ இருக்கிறத row-ஆ மாத்தணும். So you have 3, root 3, 2, 4, 2, 0. So இது A transpose. இப்போ A transpose, the whole transpose is going to be, I have to change this now. So இப்போ 3, 4 இருக்கிறத row-ஆ இருக்கிறத column-ஆ மாத்துறேன். Again, the second row is going to be root 3, 2, second column. Then third row becomes the third column. So 2, 0. So basically I see that A equals A transpose the whole transpose. So first subsection is proved. Okay. If a second subsection is going to be A plus B the whole transpose is A dash plus B dash. So A plus B in the second subsection A plus B is going to be, when I add, I have 3, root 3, 2, 4, 2, 0 plus B add panna 2 minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Okay. So if I add panna, I have 3 plus 2 which is going to be 5. So I have A plus B equals 3 plus 2 which is going to be 5. Second element is going to be root 3 minus 1. So அப்படியே தான் இருக்க போகுது. root 3 minus 1. Third element is going to be 2 plus 2, 4. Second row la 4 plus 1 is going to be 5. And 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. So I have 4 and 4. So இப்போ A plus B, the whole transpose எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? Row becomes the column. So basically I'm going to have 5, root 3 minus 1, 4. And the second row becomes the second column. So I have 5, 4, 4. So இது A plus B the whole transpose. இப்போ this is equal to A transpose plus B transpose னு prove பண்ணலாமா? What is A transpose going to be from here? So this is going to be A na. A transpose is 3, root 3, 2, 4, 2, 0 plus B transpose. So this I'm going to do the transpose. I have 2, minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. So this is B transpose. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் add பண்ணா எனக்கு கிடைக்கும். Very, very simple. 3 plus 2 is going to be 5, 4 plus 1, 5. Then root 3 minus 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 0 plus 4 is going to be 4. So I see that A plus B, the whole transpose equals A transpose plus B transpose. அவ்வளவுதான். Simple. Okay? Hence proved. Transpose na என்னன்னு புரிஞ்சுதா? Row column-ஆ மாறும், column row-ஆ மாறும். அவ்வளவுதான். Now, next example. If A equals and B equals, verify the product. இப்போ AB the whole transpose. So first அதுக்கு AB கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So this is going to be minus 2, 4, 5 times 1, 3 minus 6. First order என்ன? This is 3 by 1 and this is 1 by 3. So final matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? It is going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay? கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So this is going to be first row, first column. So minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Now first row, second column. So minus 6. minus 2 minus 6 is going to be 12. So first row முடிஞ்சது. இப்போ second row na 4 and 1. So 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 6 are, so minus 24. Then last row 5 into 1, 5, 5 3s are 15, 6 5s are minus 30. Okay, so this is going to be AB. இப்போ AB transpose என்ன? AB the whole transpose is going to be row becomes the column. So minus 2, minus 6, 12. Then second row becomes the second column. 4, 12, minus 24. Third row is going to be 5, 15, minus 30. Okay, this is AB the whole transpose. இப்போ B transpose times A transpose. First, what is B transpose? It is going to be 1, 3, minus 6. Row matrix இருந்தது column matrix மாறிடுச்சு. இப்போ A transpose என்ன? It is going to be minus 2, 4, 5. So, இப்போ B transpose times A transpose பண்ணலாமா? So, I have B transpose A transpose is going to be 1, 3, minus 6. So, 1, 3, minus 6 times minus 2, 4, 5. Minus 2, 4, 5. So, this is going to be a 3 by 1 matrix and this is a 1 by 3 matrix. இப்போ இதை multiply பண்ணா 3 by 3 வரப்போகுது. So, when I do that, I'm going to have minus 2, 4, 5, 3 2s are minus 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 6 into 2 is going to be 12, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are minus 30. Now, when I do the transpose, oh, this is the final answer. AB the whole transpose is going to be, AB the whole transpose is B transpose times A transpose. Avladhaan, simple. Okay, please copy. Next topic is going to be symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. இப்போ symmetric matrix na என்ன அர்த்தம்? So for example, you have the diagonal elements. Diagonal elements அப்படியே இருக்க போகுது. Okay, so இப்போ இந்த matrix ஓட transpose எடுத்தா, if I take the transpose, it is going to give back the same A. So that is going to be skew symmetric. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? இப்போ இந்த particular matrix எடுத்தா, what is going to be the transpose of this? The first row becomes the first column. So I have root 3, 2, 3. Then the second row becomes the second column. So 2, minus 1.5, minus 1. Then the third row becomes 3, minus 1, 1. Ilya? So that becomes the last column. 3, minus 1, 1. So this is nothing but A itself. So A transpose is going to be A. So that is going to be a symmetric matrix. If a skew symmetric na anartham, skew symmetric na, I'm going to have A dash equals minus A. You're going to get the negative of the vector. இப்போ இதை நம்ம matrixல எப்படி பார்க்கிறது? So for example, if this is your diagonal. So இதெல்லாம் diagonal elements. So diagonal elementsக்கு left hand side la 2 equals 2, 3 equals 3, minus 1 equals minus 1. So இந்த மாதிரி இருந்ததுனா we are talking about the symmetric matrix. இதே அதோட negation இருந்ததுனா 2 equals minus 2, 3 equals minus 3, minus 1 equals 1. அப்படி இருந்ததுனா it is going to be a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, symmetric na என்ன? அதே matrix A. Transpose equals the same matrix. Skew symmetric na transpose of a matrix is minus A. அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, now when you do the proofs and all, you will get to know that A plus A dash is going to be symmetric. ஒரு A-வையும் A transpose-யும் add பண்ணா, you're going to get symmetric matrix. அதையே subtract பண்ணா, you're going to get skew symmetric matrix. The proof is given in the textbook. இது மட்டும் தெரிஞ்சாலே போதும். Okay, and you can write a matrix A as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. எப்படி எழுதுறது? It is going to be half times A plus A dash, half plus A minus A dash. So this is going to be a symmetric matrix. இப்பதானே பார்த்தோம். So symmetric matrix and this is going to be a skew symmetric matrix. So examல write the matrix A as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric னு கேட்டா இந்த ஃபார்முலாவை யூஸ் பண்ணி எழுதினா போதும். Okay, simple. So let's solve an example, you'll understand. So express the matrix B as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? B equals half times B plus B dash plus half times B minus B dash. இந்த மாதிரி ஃபார்முலா எழுத போறோம். So இப்போ B இருக்கு. So I'm going to write half times, I'm going to open the matrix. So I have 2, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 3, minus 2, minus 4, 4, minus 3. இது B plus B transpose. B transpose na, my first row becomes the first column. So 2, minus 2, minus 4. Now second row, focus on the second row. Minus 1, 3, 4. இப்போ last row becomes the last column. So 1, minus 2, minus 3. இது half B plus B dash. So half B plus B transpose. First இதை கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? ஏன்னா இடம் இல்லை. So I'll find this out first. So half times, when I add these two, I have 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 4 plus 1 is again minus 3. Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 minus 2 is going to be 2. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 2 minus 2 plus 4 is 2. Minus 3 minus 3 is going to be minus 6. So if it's divided by 2 panna, what will I have? The matrix is going to be 4 by 2 is 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 6 by 2 is 3, 2 by 2, 1, again minus 3 by 2, 1, minus 3. So this is going to be the symmetric matrix. Okay, so B plus B dash is going to be the symmetric matrix. So this is going to be the symmetric. Q symmetric matrix is going to be half times B minus B dash. So which is going to be half times B in the matrix. B is going to be 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 minus 4 4 and minus 3. So this is going to be the B matrix minus, I'll open the bracket here, minus the transpose of this. So in the matrix the first row becomes the first column, which is going to be 2 minus 2 minus 4. Now talking about the second row. So second row this becomes the second column. So minus 1 3 minus 2, and talking about the third row I have 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now I need to subtract these two. So the subtract panna I'll have half times inside the matrix 2 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus of minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 5 minus 1 plus 2, which is 1. Then 3 minus 3, which is 0, 4 plus 2, which is going to be 6, then 1 minus of minus 4, 5, minus 2 minus of plus 2, which is going to be 0, minus 3 plus minus 3, minus 3 minus minus 3, which is going to be also 0. So this is going to be, when I simplify, half all divide panna, I have 0, minus half, minus 5 by 2, half, 0, 6 by 2, which is 3, then 5 by 2, 0 and 0. So basically my vector B can be represented as sum of symmetric, which is 2 minus 2 3 by 2 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 3 1 minus 3 by 2 1 minus 3. So it is symmetric, and the skew symmetric matrix is going to be 0 minus half minus 5 by 2 half 0 3 5 by 2 0 0. Okay, so it is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix oda sum. Okay, please copy. So, if you want examples, let's solve some exercise questions. Okay, exercise 3.3, first question. Find the transpose of each matrix. Abdina row column matanu, column row matanu. That's transpose. So, first I have a column matrix. So, the row matana, if this is my A transpose is going to be 5 half minus 1. So, this is a column vector. Yeah, this is a column matrix. This is a column matrix, and the transpose is going to be a row matrix. புரிஞ்சுதா? இதுதான் transpose. Now, second question, let this be B. So, second subsection, B transpose is going to be, this is my first row. That becomes the first column. So, I have 1 minus 1. Second row becomes the second column. So, 2, 3. Avladhan. This is the transpose. Now, third. So, let this be C. So, C transpose is going to be, first row becomes the first column. Minus 1, 5, 6. Second row, second column. Root 3, 5, 6. And third row becomes the third column. So, 2, 3, minus 1. Okay, this is the transpose of the matrix. Okay, please copy. Now, second question, A, B kuduthirukku, verify that. So, idella formulas, illaya? So, A plus B, the whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. A minus B, the whole transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. Next, you also should know that A, B, the whole transpose is going to be B transpose times A transpose. Okay, idella pona video la na pannirken, video poi paarenga. Okay, so let me do A plus B, which is going to be minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1, plus minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Okay, when I add these two, what is it going to be? Minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 5, minus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 0, 9, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 1, 2. So, this is A plus B. Now, A plus B, the whole transpose is going to be, the first row becomes the first column. So, I have minus 5, 3, minus 2, then 6, 9, 9, minus 1, 4, 2. So, A plus B whole transpose kandupidichachu. Now, RHS, right hand side, I need to find A transpose plus B transpose. So, A transpose plus B transpose is going to be, let me find the transpose of A. So, A transpose na, this first row becomes the first column. So, this is going to be minus 1, 2, 3, next 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1, plus B transpose is going to be, the first row becomes the first column. So, I am going to have minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. When I add these two, what will I have? Minus 1, minus 4 is minus 5. 5 plus 1, 6, minus 2, minus 1 is minus 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 7 plus 2, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 9, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. So, I see that A plus B, the whole transpose is going to be A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, hence proved. For second subsection, the subtraction of these two. So, subtract panna enagum A transpose, okay, I'll do A plus B, A minus B, the whole transpose first, which is going to be A minus B in 1, 2, 3. I'll write the values first. So let me write A minus B first. So A is going to be minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, then 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1. This is A. Minus B is going to be minus 4, 1, minus 5, minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Now subtraction careful பண்ணுங்க sign லாம் பார்த்து. So this is going to be minus 1 plus 4, which is plus 3. Then 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus of minus 5 is 8. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 minus 2, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. 1 minus 3, minus 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is A minus B. If A minus B, the whole transpose is going to be 3, 4, minus 3, 1, 5, minus 2, 8, 9, 0. Adhe mari, I'll do the A transpose minus B transpose over here. So I have A transpose minus B transpose is going to be, what is A transpose? Inge irukku. So it is going to be minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1. This is A transpose minus B transpose, which is minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. B transpose, A transpose na correct ah paathu eludunga. So when I subtract these two, I'm going to have minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3, 5 minus 1, 4, minus 2 minus 1, minus 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 7 minus 2, 5, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 3 minus of minus 5, 8, then 9 minus 0, 9, 1 minus 1, 0. So this is A transpose minus B transpose, and this is definitely equal to A minus B the whole transpose. So we have proved that A minus B the whole transpose is going to be A transpose minus B transpose. Okay, please copy. Question number 3. If A transpose is given and B is given, then verify that. So first A enna eduthalama. So what is A going to be? A is going to be the first column becomes illa first row. Let me write the first row. The first row becomes the first column. So this is going to be 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. So this is A. Then I have to find A plus B. So A plus B panna enna kadikum? I have 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Plus B panna I have minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So this when I add, I'm going to have 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 3 is also going to be 4. So this is A plus B. If A plus B, the whole transpose is going to be very similar to the previous question. So I have 2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 4. Okay. Similarly, A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose enna question liye kuduthirukku. 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. So this is A transpose plus B transpose enna, it is going to be minus 1, 1, 2, 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 2, and I have 1, 3. So when I add these two, I'm going to have 3 minus 1, which is 2, 4 plus 1, 5, minus 2 plus 2 is going to be 1, 2 plus 2, 4, then again 1, 4. So I see that A plus B, the whole transpose equals A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, so first subsection prove பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்போ second subsection I'll prove it here. Okay, so இப்போ A minus B பண்ணணும். What is my A? போன questionல தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். So let me write that again. 3 minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 1. It is the transpose. Minus B is going to be minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So when I subtract now, careful பண்ணுங்க. 3 minus of minus 1 is going to be 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 3 minus 2. So this is A minus B. If A minus B, the whole transpose is going to be 4, 3, minus 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2. This is A minus B whole transpose. If A transpose minus B transpose is going to be A transpose enna 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Minus B transpose is going to be the transpose of this. So minus 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. Okay, when I subtract these two, I'm going to have 3 minus of minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, 2 minus 2, 0, then 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So equal arka? Yes. So I have A minus B, the whole transpose is going to be A transpose minus B transpose. Okay, please copy. இதெல்லாம் proofs தான் easy ah போட்டுறலாம். Okay. Now question number 4. if A transpose is given, B is given, then find A plus 2B. Okay, first A கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமா அதுக்கு. So A is going to be, the first row becomes the first column. So minus 2, 3. Second row becomes the second column. 1, 2. So இப்போ A இருக்கு. இப்போ 2B வேணும். So 2B is going to be, when I multiply the 2 inside, I have minus 2, 0, 2, 2 2s are 4. இப்போ 2B இருக்கு. So what is A plus 2B? So this is going to be minus 2, 3, 1, 2. Plus 2B is going to be minus 2, 0, 2, 4. So when I add these two, I'm going to have minus 2 is minus 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is A plus 2B. A plus 2B, the whole transpose kekranga. So find the transpose of this. Very, very simple. So this is going to be minus 4, 5, 1, 6. Row irukkiradha column எழுதணும், column irukkiradha row எழுதணும். Okay? Simple. Please copy. Question number 5. For the matrices A, B, verify that A, B the whole transpose is B transpose, A transpose. இது prove பண்ணலாமா? So first subsection is going to be A கொடுத்திருக்கு, B கொடுத்திருக்கு. So A, B is going to be, I'll write the question, 1 minus 4, 3 times minus 1, 2, 1. So this is a 3 by 1 matrix and this is a 1 by 3 matrix. So final matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? It is going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. So இதை multiply பண்ணா, I'm going to have minus 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 1, 1. இப்போ second row, first column. So minus 4 minus 1 is 4. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8, minus 4. Then minus 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So this is my AB. இப்போ AB the whole transpose என்ன? AB the whole transpose is going to be the transpose of this. So I have minus 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 8, 6, 1, minus 4, 3. Now, next step is B transpose times A transpose. B transpose enna? So this is my B. Appo B transpose enna? Minus 1, 2, 1. Minus 1, 2, 1. And A transpose is going to be 1, minus 4, 3. So, ipdi 1, minus 4, 3. So, this again when I multiply, I'm going to have minus 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 8, 6, 1, minus 4, 3. So, I see that A, B, the whole transpose is going to be B transpose, A transpose. Okay? Hence proved. Please copy. Second subsection. I'll write it here. So again, A, B na I have to multiply 0, 1, 2 with 1, 5, 7. So if I multiply panna, I'm going to have 0, 0, 0 in the first row. Second row 1, 5, 7. Third row 2, 10, 14. So this is A, B. So A, B the whole transpose எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? The first row becomes the first column. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 5, 7, 2, 10, 14. Okay. இப்போ B transpose. So B transpose, A transpose is going to be 1, 5, 7. A transpose is 0, 1, 2. Okay. And I multiply this. I'm going to have 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. Then 7 into 0, 7 into 1, 7 into 2. Okay. So I see that AB, the whole transpose is going to be B transpose times A transpose. Okay. Exam la indha mari proof la ketta podunga. Okay. Now, A கொடுத்திருக்கு. Verify that A transpose A is going to be identity matrix. Okay. கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So first A transpose A என்ன? I have to write the A transpose first. So first row la இருக்கிறது first column. So cos alpha, sin alpha. Then second row is going to be second column. So sin alpha, cos alpha times A. இல்லையா? A transpose எழுதியாச்சு. இப்போ A எழுத போறேன். So I'm going to have cos alpha, sin alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay. இப்போ multiply பண்ணலாமா? So I'm going to take the first row and the first column. Matrix multiplication இப்போ தரவா இருக்கணும். Okay. So I have cos square alpha minus into minus plus ஆயிடும். So plus sin square alpha. இது first element. இப்போ secondக்கு first row and the second column. So I'm going to have cos alpha, sin alpha plus minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay. Then next row, second row, first column. So I'm going to have sin alpha, cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. And the last element is going to be last row, last column. So I have sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So this is simply going to be cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So this is nothing but the identity matrix. Okay. Hence proved. Please copy. Second subsection. Again, போன question மாதிரியே கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டியதான். So what is my A transpose times A? This is going to be first row becomes the first column. So first is sin alpha, cos alpha, then minus cos alpha, sin alpha. இது என் கூடயே போட்டுட்டே வாங்க times A. So this is going to be sin alpha, cos alpha, minus cos alpha, sin alpha. So this, when I multiply, I'm going to get sin alpha, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Pona question mariya dhaan varapodhu. This is going to be sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. Next row, second row, first column. So this is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now last row. So I'm going to have cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Oru difference கிடையாது, ரெண்டும் ஒண்ணே தான். Okay, so 1 0 0 1. So this is again identity matrix. Okay, please copy. Now second, seventh question. First, show that A is a symmetric matrix. இப்போ symmetric na எப்படி prove பண்ணுவோம்? Symmetric, we can say that A transpose is also A. So இப்போ A transpose கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? A transpose is going to be first row becomes the first column. So 1 minus 1 5. இப்போ second row is going to be 1 2 1. Third row is going to be 5 1 3. இதுல என்ன தெரியுது? This is going to be A. So I see that A transpose is going to be A and hence A is symmetric. Okay, இவ்வளவுதான் answer. Please copy. Subsection 2. Show that A is skew symmetric. அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? When you're talking about skew symmetric matrix, so you say that A transpose is going to be minus A. So பண்ணலாமா? What is my A transpose? I have my first row, that becomes the first column. So 0 1 minus 1. Then second row is going to be minus 1 0 1 and third row becomes the third column. So 1 minus 1 0. So இதுல இருந்து இப்ப நான் minus 1 வெளியில எடுத்தா what will I have? 0 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0, and this is nothing but minus 1 times the A matrix. So this is going to be minus A. So I have A transpose equals minus A, which means A is skew symmetric. Okay, please copy. Question number 8. For the matrix A, verify that A plus A dash is skew symmetric. So first A plus A dash கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay, so what is my A dash first? A transpose is going to be 1 6 5 7. So இப்போ A plus A dash என்னது? It is going to be 1 5 6 7 plus 1 6 5 7. So when I add these two, I'm going to have 1 plus 1 2, 6 plus 5 11, 6 plus 5 11, 7 plus 7 14. So when I do A plus A transpose, the whole transpose, I'm going to have, either transpose பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? The first row becomes the first column. So 2 11, second row becomes the second column. So 11 14. I see that this is equal to A plus A transpose. So I have A plus A transpose, or the whole transpose is going to be A plus A transpose. So this is basically B transpose equals B mari. So ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலா இருந்ததுனா we say that this is going to be symmetric. இப்போ second subsection, A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So A minus A dash கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So I have A minus A dash is going to be, first I have 1 5 6 7 minus 1 6 5 7. So when I subtract, I have 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 6 minus 1, 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 7 0. So this, when I take that whole transpose, A minus A dash the whole transpose is going to be, first row becomes the first column. So 0 minus 1, second row becomes the second column. So 1 0. When I take the minus 1 outside, I have 0 minus 1 1 0. So this is nothing but minus 1 times A minus A transpose. So this is going to be minus of A minus A transpose. So இப்போ final answer எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? A minus A transpose is going to be minus of A minus A transpose. So இங்க transpose இருக்கு. So this is basically C transpose equals minus C. So from this we say that this is going to be skew symmetric. Okay, புரிஞ்சுதா? Basically subtraction is going to be skew symmetric and addition is going to be symmetric. Okay, இதை proveவும் பண்ணியாச்சு. Please copy. Question number 9. Find half A plus A dash and half A minus A dash. Okay, very simple. So what is my A transpose? I'll first find A plus A dash. So this is going to be 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. This is A plus A transpose. So first row becomes the first column. So 0 A B. The second row becomes the second column. Minus A 0 C and third row becomes the third column. So minus B minus C 0. Okay. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? I have 0 A minus A 0 B minus B 0 minus A plus A 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. So A plus A dash is going to be 0. So obviously half times A plus A dash is also going to be a 0 matrix. Okay, so half A plus A dash கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ A minus A dash. So A minus A dash is going to be, let me write it again, 0 minus A minus B A 0 minus C, B C 0. இது A. Minus A transpose இங்க தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். So I have 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. இப்போ subtraction na sign மாறும். Okay, please be careful. 0 minus 0 0. A minus of minus A. So 2A. B minus of minus B 2B. Minus A minus 2A. 0 C plus C, which is 2C. Minus B minus 2B. Minus C minus 2C. 0 and 0. Okay. So this is going to be A minus A dash. இப்போ half times A minus A dash. Now I have to divide the whole matrix by half. So I have 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Okay. So this is equal to A itself. ஏனா symmetric matrix இந்த இடத்துல 0 வந்துருச்சு. So obviously this is going to be the A matrix. So நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? You know that A can be represented as half times A plus A dash plus half times A minus A dash. இல்லையா? Okay. Please copy. Question number 10. Express the following matrices as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. அப்படின்னா அர்த்தம் A can be represented as half times A plus A dash plus half times A minus A dash. இதில் என்ன தெரியும்? This is going to be your symmetric matrix and this is going to be your skew symmetric matrix. Okay. So first A plus A dash கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So I have A plus A dash is going to be A என்ன 3, 5, 1 minus 1 plus A dash is going to be the first row becomes the first column. So 3, 5, 1 minus 1. Second row becomes the second column. When I add this, I'm going to have 3 plus 3, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 5, 6, minus 1 is minus 2. So, idhula half add panna. So, this is going to be half times A plus A dash. Idhala divide panna. When I take a half, I can divide by half. So, 6 by 2, 3, 3, 3 and minus 1. So, half times A plus A dash. Now, half times A minus A dash. So, half times A minus A dash is going to be half times matrix A and it is going to be 3, 5, 1 minus 1 minus 3, 1, 5 minus 1. So this is going to be half times 3 minus 3 is going to be 0, 5 minus 1, 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Okay. So this, when I multiply the 2 inside, 1 by 2 inside, I'll have 0, 2, minus 2, 0. So this A can be represented as two matrices, which is going to be 3, 3, 3 minus 1 plus 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So this is going to be your symmetric matrix. Check panni kuda parunga. And this is going to be your skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Please copy. Second subsection. Again, I have to do A plus A dash. So this is going to be A and 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1. 2 minus 1 3. This is A. If A transpose is going to be the first row becomes the first column. So 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. Okay. Now half times A plus A dash is going to be half times. Let me add these two. Add panna 6 plus 6 12 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 2 is going to be minus 4. 3 plus 3 6 minus 1 2 2 plus 2 4 minus 1 minus 2 3 plus 3 6. When I divide by 2, I'm going to have 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. Okay, this is half A plus A dash. Okay, next A minus A dash. So this is going to be 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 minus, I see that it is the same matrix. தெரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? Minus 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. I see that A and A transpose are very equal. So I see that A equals A transpose. அப்ப கண்டிப்பா இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் subtract பண்ணா I'm going to get a 0 matrix. Okay. So my final answer is going to be A can be represented as sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric. இங்க symmetric என்ன வந்தது? The matrix itself. So I'm going to have 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 plus skew symmetric matrix is going to be the 0 matrix. Okay. So in that this is going to be the symmetric matrix and this is going to be the skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Please copy. Subsection 3. So இதுவும் அதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்க போகுது. So let me do A plus A transpose. So this is going to be 3 minus 2 minus 4 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 1 2. இது A plus A transpose. So first row becomes the first column. 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. என் கூடயே solve பண்ணுங்க. So half times A plus A transpose is going to be half times. We add them. 3 plus 3 6, 3 minus 2 1, minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5, minus 2 plus 3 1, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 1 minus 5 is minus 4, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, minus 5 plus 1 minus 4, 2 plus 2 4. Okay, இது half ஆல divide பண்ணா 6 by 2 3, then half, minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 2 and 2. Okay, so this is going to be half times A plus A transpose. இப்போ A minus A transpose என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? I have to write the A first. A என்ன? 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. So this is A minus A transpose என்ன? Now A transpose is going to be 3 minus 2 minus 4. 3 minus 2 minus 4 இங்கேருந்தே எழுதலாம். So I have 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 1 2. Okay, when I subtract these two, I'm going to have இந்த இடத்துல half include பண்ணிக்கிறேன். So half times A minus A transpose is going to be, I can write half times the matrix. Now when I subtract 3 minus 3 0, 3 plus 2 5, minus 1 plus 4 3, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, minus 2 plus 2 is going to be 0, 1 plus 5 6, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3, minus 5 minus 1 minus 6, 2 minus 2 0. Okay, இப்போ half ஆல divide பண்ணா I'm going to have 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 0, 3, minus 3 by 2, minus 3, 0. Okay, so the final answer A is going to be the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric, which is the first matrix, where I have 3 half minus 5 by 2, half minus 2 minus 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 2 and 2. So this symmetric plus skew symmetric is going to be 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 0, 3, minus 3 by 2, minus 3, 0. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கிறது கரெக்டா தப்பான்னு எப்படி தெரியும்? You have to cross check. திரும்ப A matrixே வருதான்னு check பண்ணணும். So I have 3 plus 0 is going to be 3, then half plus 5 by 2, 6 by 2 again 3, then minus 5 by 2, 3 by 2 is going to be minus 2 by 2, so minus 1 வந்துரும். Next second row ல minus half minus 5 by 2, so minus 2 வருது, minus 2 அப்படியே இருக்கு, minus 2 plus 3 is going to be 1. Last row ல I have minus 5 minus 3 by 2, so minus 4, minus 2 minus 5 is going to be minus 5, then last element 2 plus 0 is going to be 0. Okay, எல்லா elementயும் check பண்ணியாச்சு. Now fourth subsection, again I have to do A plus A transpose, which is going to be 1 5 minus 1 2 plus A transpose is 1 5 minus 1 2. So when I add these two, half times A plus A transpose is going to be half times 1 plus 1 2, 5 minus 1 4, minus 1 plus 5 is 4, 2 plus 2 4. When I divide by 2, I'm going to have 1 2 2 and 2. Okay, now A minus A transpose. So A and 1 5 minus 1 2 minus 1 5 minus 1 2. Transpose na correct ஆயிடுங்க. So half times A minus A transpose is going to be half times, correct போடுங்க, 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus of minus 1 is 6, then minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6, 2 minus 2 0. Okay, இப்போ 2 ஆல divide பண்ணா I have 0 3 minus 3 0. So the final matrix is going to be sum of symmetric. So 1 2 2 and 2, 1 2 2 and 2 plus the skew symmetric. So 0 3 minus 3 0. இப்போ ஃபைனலா செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாமா? 1 plus 0 is going to be 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 minus 3 1, 2 plus 0 0. Okay, so sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix are represent பண்ணியாச்சு. Okay, please copy. Question number 11. If A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then AB minus BA. Okay, so இப்போ AB symmetric matrix னு கொடுத்திருக்கு. So what does that mean? I have A transpose equals A and B transpose equals B. So AB minus BA, the whole transpose is going to be AB transpose minus BA transpose. இப்போ AB transpose என்ன? This is going to be B transpose A transpose minus this is going to be A transpose B transpose. So இப்போ B transpose is going to be B and A transpose is going to be A minus A transpose is going to be A and B transpose is going to be B. So இதில minus வெளியில எடுத்தா I have AB minus BA. So இதில என்ன தெரியுது? I have AB minus BA, the whole transpose is going to be the negative of that. For example, C transpose is going to be minus C. So what do I see from here? I see that AB minus BA is going to be skew symmetric. Okay, direct equal irundhuduna it is going to be symmetric, but inge negative ah irukku, so skew symmetric, and the final right answer is going to be option A. Okay, please copy. Question number 12. A kuduthirukku, then A plus A dash equals I, find the value of alpha. Okay, so A plus A dash pannalama, so A plus A dash is going to be cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha plus A transpose is going to be, first row becomes the first column, so I have cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and this is given to be I, identity matrix. So idu rendathiyum add panna enna kedikudhu, I have 2 cos alpha 0 0 2 cos alpha. What is the identity matrix? 1 0 0 1. I have 2 cos alpha equals 1, cos alpha equals 1 by 2. 1 by 2 na alpha is going to be 0 1 by 2. So 60 degree, which is going to be pi divided by 3. So it is going to be option B. Okay, please copy. So with this we are done with this exercise. Let's move on to the next topic. Romba kutti topic. You don't have it much for the exam. Adutha chapter la da innum nariya varapodhu. Okay. Now moving on to the next topic. Ivlo nara exercise la solve panniyachu, transpose la. Let's see what an invertible matrix is. Ipo oru matrix irukku. You have A. So you have an A inverse which is going to be 1 divided by A. Idhana A inverse. So basically when you multiply A times A inverse is going to give me an identity matrix. So every matrix has an inverse. Okay. For example, matrix A has an inverse which is going to be B. So in that line, AB is giving me I, where B is going to be the A inverse. Okay, A times B is going to be I na, A times A inverse, where B equals A inverse is going to be the identity matrix. Okay, and a rectangular matrix does not possess an inverse. Or square matrix ku mattum da inverse irukka podu. Okay, and AB to be defined and equal, it is necessary that matrices A and B should be square matrices of same order, ore order la irukanum. Okay, and B is the inverse of A is also the inverse of B. Ipo A equals A dash na, A dash oda inverse enna A. Okay, so idala inverse. Now uniqueness theorem அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Inverse of a square matrix if exists is unique. So இப்போ ஒரு A இருக்கு, அதுக்கு ஒரு A dash A inverse இருக்கு அப்படினா this is going to be unique. வேற எந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸ்க்குமே இது இருக்க போறது கிடையாது. A க்கு யூனிக்கா இருக்க போறது ஒரு A inverse. Okay, that's all. So you have a proof for that. And what is the next proof? AB the whole inverse. எப்படி transpose பார்த்தோமோ அதே மாதிரி AB the whole inverse is going to be B inverse times A inverse. Okay, இது வரைக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதா? Now let's solve an exercise question. Matrices A and B will be inverse of each other if and only if. எந்தெந்த options லாம் correct? AB equals BA. So option A. For example, if B equals A inverse, I have A times A inverse equals A inverse times A equals I. Correct? ரெண்டுமே அதே தான் வரப்போகுது. First option is correct. Then AB equals BA equals 0. The second option is not correct because 0 வரக்கூடாது. Identity matrix வரணும். ரெண்டுமே 0 வந்ததுன்னா you cannot say that they are going to be inverse of each other. Okay? AB equals 0. இந்த ஆப்ஷனும் கிடையாது. Then BA equals I. AB equals 0, BA equal I னு வர முடியாது. AB யும் BA யும் ஒரே வேல்யூவா தான் இருக்கணும். Okay? And AB equals BA equals identity matrix. Okay? So this is the correct option. இந்த இடத்துல equal to I குடுக்கல. So let me not write the first option. So it is going to be the last option. So option D is the right answer. Okay? Please copy. So with this we are done with the chapter matrices. Let's move on to the next chapter. Okay? Bye. All the best for your exams.